Are we live? Oh my goodness. Finally, I think we're live. Newfo, what's going on, man? Well, okay, now there we go. Newfo, Natalie, and Brett. NT as well. Man, you guys are the best. In here, bright, early, ready to go. I'm surprised Natalie's second in the chat. All right, Newfo number one until Steve Danger. If Steve Danger comes in. I say it until, man, but we never know if that guy's going to show up. Leaving room for Steve Danger to take his rightful place. Brett, absolutely, man. But who the heck knows if he's actually going to come in here or not. He doesn't even like me. What's going on with that? How's your Monday going? Hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. The Ape Father. I don't know if it's the real Ape Father or not, but he says, Clay Bro, Ape Father in the house. If it's the real Ape Father, what's going on, Ape Father? How you doing, my man? Hopefully you're having a good day so far. What up, Clay Bro? Gary, what's up with you, man? I'm having a good day. You guys having a good day? I hope so. Unlock this tablet here so I can see what's going on. Get a little bit of insight on what we got going on here. Hey all, Nini Waka, good morning to you. Amar, yo, what is going on, Amar? And let's see what we got going on the chart so far today, guys. We know that we're down a little bit right now, especially down from earlier today, down from down from Friday's close as well. But what do we got? This line right here, 37.01, is what we need to cross above if we're going to close in the green today. So that's why we got this line on the chart right now. Very strong pullback at the beginning of the day. Dude, we know that pullbacks don't scare us. Come on. Crazy Square dropped 10% pre-market, now raises 10%. Go. Interesting. Hey there, Clay Bro. Good morning, Natalie. Full screen. Natalie. Good morning to you as well. Hopefully you're having a good day. What's up, Clay Bro? Weirdo Shrine, how you doing? What a market. Go, I'm telling you, man. What a market. 5 million shares borrowed. Dan Brooks, thank you for the update. How many returned today? Do we know? Good morning, fellow apes. Good morning to you, Newfo. MD, good morning, everybody. Clay, what's your price targets if they aren't upward of 100,000? Dude, I can hold out to 100,000, but I honestly don't think we're going to have an easy time hitting 100,000, right? I just really want to see 1,000. I don't know if we're going to see 1,000. I don't know if we're going to blow right by 1,000 like it doesn't even exist. But that's the number that I want to see. Dude, we could see 100,000 and I could be sitting there with 100,000. 100 times the money that I would have had if I sold it 1,000. What's up, Clay Bro? Just got back from vacay. Ready for some tendies. Be legend, man. Hopefully you're refreshed and ready to go. How was vacation? We want to know, man. We want to know how was vacation. Let us know that right now. Where did you... Oh, man, my water's all the way over there. I should go get that water before everybody shows up. If the start end of this week. FTD start end of this week. Let me know what you mean by that. They start at the end of this week? The FTDs start at the end of this week? Do they need to be covered by the end of this week? What are we talking about here? Morning, bro-tato chip, bro. I like it, J-Bones, bro-tato chip. Because we've got chipmunks and we've got bros. We got chip bros and bro-tato chips. I like it, J-Bones. I like it a lot, man. Alright. I don't like this. I don't like this graph. Come on now, AMC. It's definitely not going to keep that up. It's not going to keep that steep of a decline up, but this does look pretty interesting. Boom, down. Boom, down. Boom, down. Look at the start of every single day here, man. Boom, up, down. Boom, up, down. Boom, up, down. Very interesting. Boom, up. Yeah, not really down, but kind of sideways. Very interesting. Well, it does look like we got some decent support here, so let's see. Where's that at? Alright, I don't want to go below this. Let's use that as some support today. And 5-minute bars don't scare me. Alright, cool. Let's watch that. You can see a little better. Let's watch that for a while. Pick your brackets, folks. I'm personally staggering. Very nice. Nini Waka. Hello, all. Marvell Janet. How are you doing? It was a hot and beautiful weekend at the beach in Florida. Refreshed and ready to hold for the mother of all short squeezes. B Legend. Very nice. Very nice. Hopefully you had a good time, man. It sounds like you did. Good morning, AMC bros. Juan Martinez, good morning to you. Why is it down? Kim! I don't know. People are selling, man. And then it goes down when people sell. Audio gone. No audio. Alex, I think there might not be audio for you. I do show that I have audio here, so I think that might be on you if you don't have audio, my man. Sorry. Anybody else confirm that it's Alex's fault and not my fault? Because I'm pretty sure that it is. Oh, man. Did you guys have a good weekend? Were you here for the giveaway last night? Shorting. Marvale, you are not shorting. What are you talking about? Come on. And John, I don't know when you subscribed to the channel, but if you did and you're in this broadcast right now, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that, man. If you guys want your name over the top of the screen, all you got to do is click that subscribe button. It's the one, the only, Gabe Father in the house, baby. I can hear you. Natalie, as long as you can hear me. As long as you can hear me, we're doing good. Rocket, Clay, when you ending today? Rocket, good question. I had 100% battery when I started the stream. So, not exactly sure when I'll be ending. Most likely around the 2 to 3 o'clock time frame, because that'll leave me around 20% battery so I can go charge it and still have a phone for the day. Otherwise, I might be able to make it until 4, but the phone would be completely drained by then. So I'm assuming sometime in the 2 to 3 o'clock range. That would be my guess, based on how long I think my phone's going to last. Jordan says, you're working. Good deal, man. Tommy, good morning, Mr. Clay. Good morning, Mr. Tom. Loud and clear. Amanda, perfect. No, they are. They are shorting. I gotcha, Marvell. I'm like, you're shorting? No, don't short the stock. What are you doing? Yes, here for the giveaway, but didn't win this time. Come on, Nene. Come on. This time is correct, though. You got plenty of chances to win. We got sticker packs. I want to get some more 8 Bro stickers, though. What did you sniff, man? Some Colombian white? No, dude. I do not have any Colombian white in the house right now. No, I don't have any Colombian white, dude. $36, Andre. Let's do it, man. Let's stay above $36 for the rest of the day. I don't want to break down below that. Love your energy, brother. Keep it up. Amar, love the fact that you're in here, man. Keep that up. Is streaming eating theater shares? Go. I don't think that it's eating theater shares, but I think that streaming would be eating some of theater's profits, because some people who don't want to go to the theater can just watch the movie at home. So I do think that it would be eating some profits and eating some revenue from the theaters, but I don't think that it's I'm not too concerned about it at this point, man, because we're so far detached from fundamentals, and I'm not too worried about AMC's revenue. NT, man. Most importantly, what's up with Chipro? B Legend. I have no idea what's up with Chipro. I have not seen him today, yesterday, or the day before. I did spot Littletail in the driveway, but I do not know. Littletail was spotted in the driveway, but I have not seen Chipro in the last 3 days. So, I have no idea where that dude's at. I'm hoping that that dude is actually a girl and he's having babies or something, because that'll be just perfect. But I don't know where Chipro is. I have not seen him in 3 days. Sean's in the house. Red Light Sean, what's going on, man? What is your favorite Pokemon? Ooh, Alex, good question. Let me think on that a minute. Let me think on that. Like, if I had a Pokemon friend, or if I had a Pokemon in the game, a favorite Pokemon card. Just expand the question a little bit, man. Expand the question a little bit. Then I can help you answer. Or give me a choice. Like all 150? I don't know if I can make that choice. Why are people saying we should be buying fractional shares? Nick, I don't know, man. I don't think it really matters if you buy fractional shares, if you buy full shares, if you just buy shares and then hold the shares. I think people just say buy fractional shares because it can keep the buying pressure going, and people have that notion that, well, if I'm only buying $5 at a time, that's cheaper than if I go out and buy $30 at a time, and so on, right? I believe that would be my understanding of what they mean by that. It's easier to keep the buying pressure going, but fractional, full, doesn't matter. Hey, Clay bro, can you manipulate AMC? Can you re-manipulate AMC stock to go back up? Thanks. Carlos. I can, dude. I can absolutely do it. Alright. What do we got here? It's not going to go any lower than that right there. We're going to make it really, really big. Alright, dude. Right there's the line, and we're going to trend from there on. Boom. I got you. I've got you, Carlos. He might have a new girl. B Legend, I'm telling you, man. He hasn't been in his bachelor pad in a while. I got to find out what's going on. Must be sharing these seeds with somebody. Attention, AMC, sell, sell, sell. Get it while it's hot. J-Bones, absolutely. Especially since we're going to be going up from this yellow line and following that higher now. Nidawaka, thanks you. Yes, thank you. Oh, Claybro, please click Eric for the... I don't even know what you're talking about, Alex. Don't even see Eric in the chat, my man. Skipped my Super Chat Saturday, but who's keeping track anyways? Dude, everybody better be keeping track anyways. Mad Medic, your Super Chat was the capitalism one, wasn't it? I didn't skip that on purpose. Is that what we're talking about, or is we got a different one? 16 hours ago. 20 hours ago. A day ago. Oh, come on. A day ago? 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Psh, dude. Mad Medic, I've got you. Mad Medic, thank you very much for the Super Chat. I did apparently skip this one. Mad Medic, thank you for the Super Chat. Let's see what Mad Medic had to say, guys. Hey, Mad Medic, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hold on. I just had it. He said, banana was mint, LOL. No sound effects. You the man. Mad Medic, I've got you, dude. I've got you. That banana was mint, dude. No sound effects, and the peel was just as good as the regular banana. I recommend all of you guys try a little bit of peel in your life. It'll wake you up, for sure. It'll definitely wake you up. Mad Medic, I have no idea how I missed that, and I have no idea how nobody told me I missed that during Saturday. But I've got you, man. Thank you very much for that Super Chat. I do see it now, so thank you very much. I will never miss a Super Chat. I promise you on that one. Mad Medic, I've got you, man. And Kelby Covington, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Kelby says, shut up and take my money. Best friends with my daily Super Chat. That's what I'm talking about, Kelby. We are still best friends. We are still best friends. People say the shorts still haven't covered. Kelby and I are still best friends. That's what I'm talking about, Kelby. Absolutely. Marine Corps Brett, good morning. Just bought more shares. Natalie has adding to the portfolio. I love it. That was Friday. Dude, I missed one on Saturday too? Come on. Just banana comment. No big deal. That was the Friday one? We got to go back to the Saturday one. We got to go back to the Saturday. Only on the Claybro channel would the tuber actually go back and look it up. Love this channel. Yes, dude, but if that was actually Friday, now I got to go back to find the one that was on Saturday. Luca! Guys, you know what time it is. It's time to get hard like a diamond. You guys ready for this? Oh, yes, Luca. We are hard like a diamond, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for that Super Chat, Super Sticker, Luca. I appreciate that. And, dude, let me know. How's the search for that bad Mamacita going? I love it, dude. I think about that on the daily. All right. That was Friday. So a day, must be a day ago. I'm looking. Oh, you know what I can do? Just filter that. God, I'm dumb. No. I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Because I'm looking, and I don't see anything. Farthest it goes is 2 days. You got me. You got me, man. Mad Medic, just send it in a chat, and you know I trust you. I'll scream it out. You good. Was the banana one set? Okay, well, dude, if I got it, I got it. Good deal, because you got me tripping now, and I don't want to trip. Lee Ben, hello from New Zealand here. New Zealand, man. Crikey, mate. What are you doing down in New Zealand? Is that Australia? You're probably really offended right now, aren't you? Always hard. That's what I'm talking about, Kelby. Stay hard like a diamond. You live in your best life, dude. Whose stream were you in this morning? Jeff, man, I was in your stream, a.k.a. Matt Core's stream, hanging out with you. Absolutely. That was the only stream I was in this morning, actually. So yes, it was the real non-synthetic clay, bro. I don't know. We need to have some sort of a code, guys. How do we get... What is the code when you need to know if it's the real clay, bro, or the fake clay, bro? We need a code right now that is not a code that anybody else in this chat right now could steal, and then they could just make a fake clay, bro account. And you got to trust the other 149 people in here, because now that I'm thinking about it, if I have a code live while I'm live right now, everybody can steal it. So think about that for a minute. Let me prove myself. How do we do it? 5.5 million share possible short interest today. Ice cream. What? 5.5 was the borrow rate, right? Is that what you're talking about? I learned a lot Saturday stream, actually. Mad Medic. Good deal, man. I'm glad you learned something. Will AMC go back up? Tomorrow Entertainment. Like you, man. I sure hope so. No flaccid paper hands here. That's what I'm talking about, Kelby. Stay hard. Heck yeah. That should be our new phrase. The name is a joke. If you look at my history, I created Left Wing Wacko when Obumber was running for president. Nice, Left Wing Wacko. The name is a joke. Good deal. I hope we pass 5,000 this year. Ty, man, if we pass 5,000 this year, I'm going to be happier than you. Trust me, I'm going to be really happy. In the Renaissance time, France and Italy had poets like Van Gogh. Poets as Van Gogh. What do you think using super chat function on YouTube results of Nissan being a part of Renault, etc.? Sell or hold? Thanks for the stream. What do you think of using super chat function on YouTube results of Nissan being part of Renault? What? Alex, that's more confusing than the Pokemon question, dude. Let's go back to the Pokemon question, because I don't even know what you mean by using YouTube super chats as a function of YouTube results of Nissan. You got me, dude. You got me. You got my mind blown. Jeff, good job. Just checking. We need a safe word. We do need a safe word, man. But we got to make it not that safe word that nobody in here is going to know what it is. Pikachu. I'm down with Pikachu, dude. I'm down with Pikachu. Clay, secret code is hot dogs. I like it. Quagmire. Hot dogs, dip and shove, get hard, stay hard like a diamond. You guys should know by now. There's actually, I don't even know if there are any fake clay bros out there. They don't even care. Nick F is my best friend. That is also a good one. Unless you're saying that Nick F is your best friend and not a safe word. Rocket is best friends with Nick F now. Gosh, stealing my friends, stealing everything, stealing my lights since day one. Oh, man. Rocket's like the Gary to my Ash. Come on now. 941,000 returned, 224,000 borrowed. NT, thanks for the update on that. I appreciate that. Good morning, Clay. Holding 843 bananas. Let's get started. I love it, Phineas. Hold those bananas and let's get started, because we are making money in AMC. Safe word, pineapple. Brett, is the safe word really pineapple? Pineapples are for swingers, dude. You swinging? What's up, bro? Keep rocking with us, bro. Love the energy. Always cheese. Chi-who? Always chi-ho. Always what? Always she-who? You got me, man. You got me. Does he say Nick F is a safe word? Did he say Nick F is a safe word? Might be, Brett. Might be. Okay, Clay. It's comb over time. You can't deny that it works. Eric, it might be comb over time, dude. Let's go to the right. Everybody, to the right. Let's make it happen. We're going to the right for Eric. Let's see if it works. All right, it's gonna if it turns here, it turns here, and we're gonna be doing good. Yes, checks out, right? It does check out, man. Which animal meat would you eat then? Except I meant the super chat function is a way of income, but the Renaissance in the Italy and France countries ish could do neither. Alex, man, you slightly speak in code, dude. You slightly speak in code, and I'm not exactly sure if I just don't understand the code or if nobody understands the code. But you slightly speak in the code. Like, I understand some of it, and then you lose me by the end of it. So I'm not sure. I had a typo. 943 bananas. Nice, your hair. Listen, Natalie. Eric said that it works. I'm giving him a 1 minute. I'm giving him a 1 minute candle. So if this 1 minute candle isn't legit, we gotta go back. Fake Ape YouTuber leaving. Bye. Jesse! Leave, man. If you're a fake ape YouTuber, get out, dog. I think Alex had a stroke. Martin, I don't know. Because this sentence starts out, right? Like, I'm understanding, I'm following. And then I'm like, what? Dude, he started speaking in code. I miss when AMC was trading in the 60s. Antics. Me too, man. I miss when AMC was trading in the 50s. And the 60s. And the 40s. No, honestly though, I do miss when AMC was trading at like $8 a share. Times were simpler back then. It's like you woke up, you rode your bicycle, you had a good day. And AMC, the prospects were just unlimited. And now people get upset that it's trading at $35, $36, $37 per share. I just don't get it. I think Alex is a malfunctioning bot. That would make sense, but I'm just not exactly sure. Like, maybe he's not malfunctioning. Maybe Alex is a bot that's transforming into an actual human. Like, the AI is evolving, and he's, like, starting to make sense at the beginning, but then he reverts back to being a bot. Comb over's working, dude. Look, green. Oh, yeah, we had some green, but now we're going red. Oh, we're going red. We got to go back. We got to go back. All right, good deal, man. Good deal. Eric, it worked for a second, but then we got it going. Claybro's hair to Pluto. Ahoo! Yes, new foe. I will do it for the AMC gains, man. I'm telling you, made 30,000 on calls, then lost it, but still up 300%. TY. Good deal, man. Good deal. Not a good deal that you lost it, but good deal that you made it and you're still in the game. That's what I like. I hope this thing squeezes before I go back to college. I put all my money into it. Fernando, man. I hope that it squeezes before you go back to college, too. Dangerous to put all your money into it, right? You know that. But, hey, whatever you got to do, man. Whatever you got to do, and hopefully it does squeeze before you go back to college. HPI is dude, if it does squeeze before you go back to college, let's just say you made $3 million on the squeeze. Are you going back to college? Let me know. Let us know in the chat right now. Fernando, we need to know. Are you going back to college if it squeezes and you got $3 million? HPI is ripping today. There are so many plays that are skyrocketing. I love it. Except I don't know what AHPI. I don't know how far is that ripping. I didn't see it this morning. We need 5,000 per share. Who's your proud? Let's do it. I'll take 5,000 a share. Not gonna be easy, but I'll certainly do it. It's not a YouTuber, just a friendly small town guy who tried to check his email one day, accidentally went live. It worked out, and now we are all here. That pretty much sums it up. Rocket, that pretty much sums it up, dude. That's like, it's kind of eerily similar to the actual story. I'm surprised you know that. Do you think it's a good idea to get back into AMC at this price? Juan, what do you mean get back in? You sold, dude? What do you, come on. Yeah, dude, I think that we've got some support on the way down. So if you want to watch before it bounces, sure. But I still think that AMC's got a ton of potential from here. Clay, do you think apes will hold for us to sell at 5 to 10,000? Mina, apes, yes. Retail investors, no. So it depends on how many apes we actually get to hold the stock. It'll get harder for the shorts to drop the price because every time they do, we buy and hold even more. NT, yes. If they do drop the price in retail, like if actual apes, you know, the people who are wanting a short squeeze, if they do buy the stock, yes, then it will get harder for the shorts to drop the price. But if retail investors and these people that are willing to day trade it are the ones eating up these shares, it's not going to get that much harder for them to drop the price. But if the actual short squeeze people buy all the shares, then yes, we win. AMC Options got my daughter a new wheelchair. Apes for Lily. I love it, Kelby. I love it. We need to get you a bro stick. Not a bro babe. Your daughter don't need a bro babe peach sticker. We need to get you a bro sticker for that wheelchair, man. Pimp that thing out. FTD Ortex report is questionable today on AMC. Ice cream. No, I don't think it's questionable. I was in Matt's stream earlier. I saw all that stuff. I don't think it's questionable, dude, because I went back and I actually looked up all the FTDs from second half of June and the first half of July. So the numbers that Ortex is reporting are the numbers that the SEC is reporting. So I don't think that is of concern, man. Drop 900 in AMC today. Clay, just wondering what's mainly making the price go down right now. Chris, mainly, look, we'll pull it out on a graph. I'm not a huge conspiracy theorist and think that every time the stock goes down, we have short pressure coming in, and it's strictly hedge fund manipulation. If we can look at this, we know that we've been trading relatively sideways for quite some time right now, right? And we're bouncing, and I'll just move this line up. No. I'll move it up. I got several lines. Oh, apparently not. We've been in this range for quite some time. So I do expect that we're going to be seeing a bounce somewhere around here. I highly doubt we fall down through it. If we do, we're going to expect a little bit larger of a range that we got. But we should see some sort of support down here at the lower $35 range that we could bounce off of. So if we pull it out on a daily chart, yes, man, we do have a decent decline, a decent downward trend forming. And if we fall through that, look, we got support in the lower 30s again that we may test. I don't want to, but we may test it. Overall, downtrend over the last, I don't know, month and a half, 2 months right here that we've been seeing. So it's just until we bounce off something and then go higher. This is a decent range to bounce off of right here. So I am excited about that. It's just we got to do it, man. We got to do it. We got to get the buyers on board. And let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Yes. Zoom in on that. Okay. There you go. Is that what it was? Yeah. All right, cool. Oh my gosh. You mean the Weeble was small that whole time? I did not realize my face was big and Weeble was small that whole time. Did you see the chart? Did you see the chart, or at least accept the explanation if you couldn't see the chart? Stocks go up and down, skip the FUD, skip the conspiracies. Just hold and have some conviction in the trade. Chad Clifford, we do have conviction in the trade, man, for sure. Oh my gosh, no buyer, no movement. Richard, yes. But listen, at the same time, I'm okay if we don't have institutional buyers coming in or FOMO buyers coming in. I'd rather see literally nobody selling the stock than a ton of people buying the stock. Cracking a White Claw, Black Cherry. Interesting glider. Never had one of those before. Probably never will, but never had one. Glider, my favorite. Cheers. Niwaka likes that flavor. Good. Hawaii in the building, 487 shares, ready to be squeezed. Why was that deleted? That was a decent comment, wasn't it? Hawaii in the building, shares ready to be squeezed. Oh, that was good. Oh, does he keep saying it over and over and over? Now, I understand if he keeps saying it over and over. I was like, it doesn't seem like a bad comment to me. Let's put some black ice over those silver rocks. Yes, great work, Claybro. Kisses from Belgium and Germany. Michael. Kisses from Ohio in the United States. Let's do it, dude. Let's put some black ice over those silver rocks. Not exactly sure I understand that phrase, but I like it. Let's do it. Said it 10 times. Yes, gotcha. That was the first time I saw it. So, my bad, Mr. Hawaii. It's the first time I saw it. Mana Mahiai. Sorry, I didn't see it sooner. I should have saw it sooner. Promise you, Clay, Black Cherry is the wave. Dude, if it's the wave and Nini confirms, it must be the wave, dude. Capless. Capless, man. Black Cherry is the wave. What's up, Clay, bro? What's the next level of support? See that red line right there? Lower, like 35 to 35.20 is where I got the next level DSA. That's where I got the next level of support. Unfortunately, if we fall through that, I'm really not seeing support again until the lower 30s. Like 31, 30, 31, maybe 32. But the level we bounced off before was around 31. So in that $30 to $32 range. Why Robinhood moving up, AMC moving down, Dale. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't like when Robinhood moves up. Do you? There ain't no laws when you're drinking claws. Michael, you guys are crazy, man. Sorry about that. Keep grinding. I'll see you when we're up there. I'll see y'all when we're up there. Heck yeah, Mana. I don't know how to pronounce the name. What time is it in Hawaii right now? It's got to be super early. Isn't it like 6 a.m. in Hawaii right now? So take off your beautiful face and show us the chart. Corey, you guys can look at the chart for a minute. I thought it was, when I did that whole thing about where we were finding those levels of support, man, I thought that it was going to be right there. Dang it, my yellow line didn't work. I thought the chart was big that whole time, but apparently it wasn't. So that's just terrible. So if we bounce off this, I'm looking for a bounce off this $35 range here. And we got to go, where was that? Previous close, 37.02. Come on. We got to close above this line if we want to stay green today. We got to close above that line right there. My amended tax return has been delayed even after 4 months. Once I get it, I'll double down my shares. Roxo Zone. Very nice. 545. You go, it's 5:45 in the morning. It's 6 hours behind me. That is crazy. 200 people. Everyone hit that like button. Miguel, thank you very much. Everybody click that like button. Teledoc up slightly. Sava pumping again. A very nice rocket. Teledoc is up slightly, and Sava is pumping again, ladies and gentlemen. My family owned liquor stores my whole life. When White Claw came out, I couldn't believe how good it was. Glider. That is... It's impressive, man. It's impressive. I don't do alcohol, so I wouldn't know, but... Hey, man, if you guys like it, must be decent, right? You gotta try Bud Light Seltzer, and it tasted like gin. Interesting. I have no idea what any of that stuff tastes like. AMC needs tampon today. Mr. Normus, it might. It might. Somebody stop this thing from going down. Let's get it going up. Pfft, Alex. Pfft. Would you eat kitten meat? No. If you knew for sure the stocks would go up, way up. No, Michael, I am not eating kitten meat, dude. There's a lot that I would do for the squeeze to go up, but I'm not eating a kitten. Come on, dude. I'm not eating a kitten. I hope nobody would eat a kitten. That's just wrong, dude. Don't eat kittens. I rolled off a story at Gummy Bears. It given to me by a friend this weekend. It was the first taste of the high life to come for us all. Nice, Brett. Nice. Would you do it again? Would you eat these gummy bears again? Yes or no? Psst, Chris, HDF, man, what's going on? What's happening with AMC? AMC Life. AMC is going down at the moment. We're gonna test resist. We're gonna test support at 35. I believe we're gonna test that today. Hopefully we bounce off it. White Claw's gross. Come on, now you guys got different opinions. This is a straight up woman's drink. What? I'll stick to hard liquor, whiskey, tequila, and scotch only. Antics is a man's man. None of that White Claw stuff, dude. But are you gonna tell me that lemonade is a woman's drink too? Because I like lemonade and I also like iced tea. Okay, I'm pretty sure Arnold Palmer was my grandpa, but he's not. But my grandpa does mix lemonade and iced tea together. It's so simple. Just hold. Absolutely, Robert. They haven't covered. Don't worry about the price. I've been holding 15,000 shares at 429 shares since January. We will win. Just be patient. Robert keeps it simple, ladies and gentlemen. I like that. We will win. Just be patient. All you got to do is hold. If everybody, and he's right, if everybody does hold, we will win. So these knuckleheads that think that they can day trade and sell the stock are, we got to get rid of these guys. Come on now. I will eat any free gummy bears. I will send you some gummy bears. But overall, they were just like any other gummy bear, and I'm sure a large premium. Interesting, Brett. Interesting. I should send you some gummy bears. I do have gummy bears. Hey, Clay, did you see the Benzinga article about unusual options activity in AMC? I did not see it, NT. What do they say? I have to admit that if this doesn't squeeze in August, I'm going to major pep talk and maybe even some anxiety medicine. Listen, Natalie, I will give you the pep talk. Okay, if it doesn't squeeze in August, I promise, I will direct a pep talk directly at you. Everybody else can listen as well. I believe that it would benefit everybody to listen, but I will direct a pep talk directly to you. You do not need any anxiety medicine. I will make sure that you are having a wonderful time holding AMC stock, and that you believe in the short squeeze, and that you truly know if we stick to the plan and everybody sticks to the plan, you can buy an anxiety medicine company, okay? And then you can sell it to all the other people who have anxiety because they didn't get in the squeeze or they sold too early. So, yes, stay with us. White Claw may be a woman's drink, but just means women like when I bring it over. White Claw is the new champagne. Giga Glider, I like it, man. Did not see that. No, if you sneeze in May, you didn't have to floss away. If you sneeze in May, you don't have to floss away. Michael. Could be, man. Could be. I don't know if that's a saying in Belarus or not, but it sounds like an interesting one. If you sneeze in May, you don't have to floss away. Scary, dude. Let me clarify. I'll eat almost any gummy bears. Gummy bears sent by Clay would be a treasure passed down to my family for generations. So he will not eat those gummy bears. He will save those gummy bears for generations to come. Will they eat the gummy bears? Or will they be like, here's an old bag of gummy bears. Let's throw these away. Clay, bro, Natalie, I got you. I've got you, Natalie. Trust me. Otherwise, overdoses is plan B. Michael, yeah, it might be, man. Been holding for 8 godforsaken months. The fact that nothing has happened but gone down is discouraging. Dude, antics. What do you mean nothing has happened in the last 8 months, dude? Come on, man. Look at this. It's a daily chart. Let's zoom out a little bit. Look at this, man. were at $1.91. We're currently at $36. I know a lot of us didn't get in at $1.91, but you're still making what? I don't know, 18 times your money, 20 times your money from this point right here. And then when we went all the way up to $72 a share, I mean, we are killing it right now, guys. We're killing it right now. Nothing has happened in the last 8 months. Come on, Antics. You a little Debbie Downer. Nothing has happened. Come on, dude. We know that a lot has happened, and the chart was big, thank goodness. Don't tase me, bro. Paul, I will not tase you or taste you. Corona seltzers are the way. The RH32 likes those. It's green, and it goes down a mountain. Skiwi. Dude, Michael, I'm liking it this morning, man. I'm liking these jokes, dude. Is rumor about the government holding hedge fund long positions to cover apes likely or less likely? The rumor about the government holding hedge funds long positions to cover apes likely or less likely? Well, no, I don't know how likely it is. It would depend on, all that depends on how close they are to margin calls and then the DTCC coming in and covering those positions as they go for them. I don't know how likely it is if they're not close to margin calls. I don't know how much margin they have left. Overdoses is better than dude, I don't even know if that's an actual drink or if that's just like something. But, Brett, overdoses is over my head. I can tell you that one. Bruh, Dogecoin ran 13,000%. I need AMC to beat that, period. Antics. 13,000% is a very large gain. Yes, it could do it, but we just gotta, we can't give up, man. We can't give up. And 13,000%. What does that take it to? What is that? 130x? I think that's 130x. Times. Dude, is that only $250? It's only $250, right? That it's got to get to? Yeah, it's only $250, right? For a 13,000% gain? Because 1,000% gain would be a 10x. 100x would be $200. Antics, man. Antics. Thinking we're not going to hit 250. Come on, Antics. Come on. Nothing. He's exaggerating. If I told him once, I've told him a million times. Don't exaggerate. Carl, I know, man. What do we got? AMC will run over a gazillion percent. Roxozone, yes. Dude, seltzer's horrible. Tastes so gross. Carlos does not like seltzer. Can we have a Way Bro wasted stream where we all drink our seltzer of choice? Yes. Can I just drink seltzer water? Can I drink seltzer water? That would be my seltzer of choice. Brett, I think we could do it, man. I'd say we do it. Seltzer water all the way. Gotta go buy some, though. Thomas Crisodi, thank you very much for the super chat. Thomas says, are we screwed because the hedge funds learned from GME how to handle the situation? Hedge funds have not learned, okay? So answer the first part of the question there. Seems whatever BS they are doing is keeping the stock barcoding. No matter what catalyst comes, they still push it down. Thomas, I don't think the stock is barcoding. I just think the stock is a little less exciting than a lot of people think out there. Barcoding is literally like if you were sitting there, if AMC was going from, I don't know what this is, 3611, if AMC was going from like 3611 to 3612, 3611, 3612, 3611, 3612, 3611, 3612, and it literally looks like a barcode, just straight up candles up and down all day long, no volume, just one guy buying back and forth between the two prices there. So it's not technically barcoding, but I don't think they learned from GME, dude, but here's the deal. They know, and hedge funds are in the game long term, okay? They know that we are in the game, or the majority of retail investors are in the game short term. We've got that short attention span. Hedge funds are happy, man, if they make 5-10% on an entire year, and they hold the stock for 50 years. They don't care. So they know that there's a very high likelihood that they'll outlast a lot of these people who believe that it's going to happen today or tomorrow or next week. And then as soon as they jump off board, it's kind of like, well, you know, this game is taking a long time. So I don't think they learned from GME, but I do think that they are overconfident, and if the right people do come along, then it's just game over for them. If the people come along that are actually going to hold it, then yes. 13,000% equals $4,680. Isidore, but you're probably talking about from the current price, right? Roughly from the current price, not from the low. Giga Glider says yes. If AMC hits 41, I'll stop drinking. Maybe. You will, Giga Glider. You will. Plain seltzer only if it's sprayed from a clown's lapel. Oh. Dude, we can make it happen. I do have a clown outfit. We can make that happen. I got one of those inflatable clown outfits, so we could easily make that happen, dude. Why is CDB so low when utilization is so high? How much are the shorts really hurting from this interest? They're actually not. Cost to borrow is extremely low right now, dude, so they're not hurting at all from the cost to borrow. Draw the line, Calibro. Help it go up. Alex, let's get that line on there to help this bad boy go up. We need to get another one. The last one didn't work, so this one, hopefully it does. Yellow is what I want. Color it gold. Let's go. Have you ever gone long on AMC on margin, and is that available? Ice Cream, I have not gone long on AMC margin, and I don't know if it's available to do so. I cannot tell you. Thomas Crusotti, why is it always the hedge funds' fault? Personally, I blame the opportunistic day traders that are keeping us from the squeeze more so than anyone. And yeah, dude, I blame them, but at the same time, I can't blame them, right? They don't care about the short squeeze. They care simply about intraday volatility and being able to make some serious percentage gains on a stock intraday. So in that respect, you know, you can't blame them because that's what they do for a living. They don't share the same goal as us. So yes, it is they are to blame, but we just need them to leave, man. We need them to leave. So like, I know that they want to do it, and I know that it's good for them, but it's bad for us. So we need them to leave. But they're definitely taking advantage. I mean, they're taking advantage of us in the sense that we're the ones that are buying this stock in anticipation of it going up. So they are taking advantage of us, that we're helping the stock increase in price. But I don't want them to do that, man. I don't want them to do that. Let's go, apes. Let's do it, Desert Raider. Cost to borrow is what's killing the squeeze. It hasn't gone up since June. They can keep this up for years if they want. That's the scary part. Yeah, man, the cost to borrow is extremely low. At this point, it's not hurting them. We still hear AMC. We love this stonk. Yes, we do, Desert. Sweet Connie, really? $10 into Westing. I wish it would drop down to $10. Then it would squeeze. I think a lot of people would jump in at $10, right? I do think that you'd see a run-up if it went back down to $10. A lot of people would jump on board to buy that. But also, I think that a lot of it, guys, a lot of it is we just really need the right people to hold the stock. Like, doesn't mean that you have to go out there and buy everything that you can afford to buy. You should buy whatever you can afford to lose, right? That's a better investment style than buying everything that you can afford. But if nobody sells this stock and the volume was zero, and days to cover for the hedge funds was like 6 months, they would be in a very bad situation. And until we get there, man, I don't know if it's going to rocket higher unless we get a ton of new buyers on board. We'll see another huge rip when they cover FTDs. Michael, I don't think that there's that many FTDs out there, man. I don't think there's that many FTDs out there right now, so I don't think we're going to see a huge rip when they go to cover FTDs. Options is also killing us. I don't know if options are necessarily killing us, but a lot of money does go into options. But if there's people out there profiting off the volatility on AMC, I would rather see them profit off the volatility using options than buying and selling shares and creating volume for AMC and things like that. I would rather see them profit off options than profit off day trading the share. It can squeeze at a low price just as much as high. Absolutely, sweet Connie. It absolutely can. And lower price would bring in potentially more buyers for the stock as well. But We just have to be like, if the supply is not there for them, then it's going to be better for us. Institutions are not friends. The really big ones are just loaning to shorts. Jack, yeah, I don't think the institutions are our friends. Can they shuffle their positions between banks and lenders to keep from buying back? John, shuffling their positions back and forth depends, man. So they can do that, but they can't shuffle them back and forth unless material ownership changes. So like if they're selling from Citadel Securities to, I don't know, Citadel or a different market maker, but the material ownership doesn't change between the stock, that's not allowed. So that's not a way that they can create volume, but they can create volume if they're willing to trade it with another institution and so on. Day traders, I like it, Joe. How long have you been live? Oil tipped. 45 minutes and 43 seconds since 11:15. Been live. No notifications? Come on, YouTube. What are you doing? Give notifications to Oil Tipped, man. It's messed up. Clay Bros, what Samsung? I watched Matt try to organize 6969 likes on his video and it failed miserably. If we can't work together to achieve 6969 likes, how are we possibly going to hold together? Somewhat joking. Dude, also not somewhat joking, man. I understand that people can't get together and do a lot, but you are right, man. That's why it's so difficult. If I was the only one that held AMC, like if I was BlackRock, okay, and I could officially go out and buy all of AMC without batting an eyelash, I could do that. I could go buy all of AMC, not trade a single share, watch the hedge funds days to cover, go to infinity, and then partake in the squeeze and allow them to cover every single share that they have, right? That would be doable. They might get in trouble for some sort of manipulation, but I don't think they would if they just did an AMC takeover and then held out for the price they want. I don't think that's manipulation of the stock, but when you try to coordinate 4 million people, it's difficult, dude. It's difficult. Especially 4 million people with 4 million different backgrounds and 4 million different opinions and 4 million different ideas and 4 million different profit targets. It's difficult. And not say that we're trying to coordinate that, but we need some sort of an understanding that buying the stock, holding the stock, and squeezing the stock is at its core what the short squeeze is. Can you please explain the unusual options activity article on Webull from Benzinga? NT, I'll have to look at it, man, because I didn't see it. So I don't know if I can go in and pull it up right now and read it and then explain it, or if you want me to maybe do a video on it later or something like that. Good morning, Leo Loco. How are you? Crypto Cookie, Natalie, all at the exact same time. We got Cookie in the house. Yes, here for Happy Monday, Clay Gang. Cookie in the house. What is going on, Cookie? How are you? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today. I'm glad you're in here. Crypto Rocket, did you guys just get notifications? Is that why you came in? Better morning now, Cookie. It is definitely a better morning now that Cookie is in here. Crypto Rockets here. Thank you for letting me know that everybody came in at the same time. I did like that. It was totally not planned. It was not planned. Yeah, right, guys. You're all hanging out right now. I know you are. Crypto! What is up? Good morning, everyone. Natalie says good. When Natalie says good morning to everybody, I know you're going to have a good morning. Agent Stone in the house. Where is Fruit Bowl? Dude, Agent Stone and Fruit Bowl remind me of Perry the Platypus and, oh, man, Dr. Doofenshmirtz. For real. Fruit Bowl is like Dr. Doofenshmirtz, and Agent Jack Stone is like Perry the Platypus, man. They're just arch nemesis. And I don't understand. I don't understand the animosity between the two. I don't get it. But got a notification, but was on the phone for a while. Crypto Rocketeer, man. Hopefully whoever you were talking to is having a good day as well. Hey, Clay, is Clay short for Clayton? P2P. Yes, it is, man. Crypto Rocketeer. Morning, brother. What's going on? Oh, it was planned. You know it was planned. That's not an accident, guys. Just hit $50 on lotto ticket, buying one share. Ronald, very nice, man. Apes are stronger together, just like anybody, guys. If everybody comes together, you are stronger. Who do I have animosity with? Must be one-sided. It is, man. Remember Fruit Bowl? The dude that doesn't like how short your hair is or something, or tells you got no hair, like whatever his deal is. But whatever the thing is, I don't understand the dynamic that you two have. Yo, what is up, Dan? Yo, how are you doing? And this line seems to be holding up for a moment, so hopefully we continue to trend with that yellow line there, and we go forward from now on. Brett, Natalie, Desert Raider, Crypto, Agent Jack, Peter Pete, Peter Pete. Ooh, I like it. Is it Peter Pete or Peter Pete? Rocket. Cookie says hello to everybody. Dudes, what's up? Tom, how are you? Clay is short for Clay Face. It could be. It could be, man. Although my parents didn't let me know if it was short for Clay Face. Clay, got a notification about 15 minutes before you went live, but had a conference call. How did you get a notification 15 minutes before I went live? You getting my text again, Natalie? I thought you blocked me. The next Matt course. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe. Oh, fruit bowl. Yeah. Mr. Simon. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Mr. Simon says, oh, man, I always spill that salt, dude. And then you gotta get some salt. Got it in my eye, dude. I don't understand why I always get it in my eye when I'm pouring that salt shaker out. But thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that. 11111, Mr. Simon. Going downhill, what do you think? Gone Licksta. No, I don't think it's going downhill, but unless you literally mean like this looks like a hill and it's going down right now, then I would agree with you. But other than that, I think we're still looking good. Once my death metal hair, that's all. Agent Jack Stone, I believe you are correct. I know you missed the salt shaker. 111, Mr. Simon, I do miss the salt shaker for sure. 1111, Mr. Simon, not 111. Come on now, get it right, Clay. You can read. So over the stock, the manipulation makes me want to kill somebody. Christopher Clayton. Dude, allow other things in your life to make you want to kill somebody, not the manipulation of AMC stock. The manipulation of AMC stock should only make you want to hold the stock even more. Come on now, we know that. Channel that rage into hardening your diamond hands, dude. Into never letting it go. Please don't ever do that again, Clay Bay. Cookie! Well, if 1111 Mr. Simon sends another salt shaker, I gotta do it again. Yeah, Clay, that was a little dangerous. Roxo Zone, I know. When you get salt in your eye, it is extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. I think Clay has fabulous hair. I'm jealous. PDP, link in the description below if you would like to know what I use. Sexy hair, that's what it's called. Just started to follow an eyelash account on Instagram. Me too! I'm guessing it is Darling. It is! Still waiting for my follow back from you, Clay. Not that I really post anything, to be honest. Not that I post anything at all, to be honest, either, Crypto. I don't post anything at all, man. I just watched the Seagal movie, Urge to Kill Subsides. There you go. There you go, dude. 1111, Mr. Sound, I'm telling you, man. You get me. Between the banana video and that shaking motion followed by, I got it in my eye, your channel is going to be huge, but for the wrong reasons. Well, dude, for whatever reasons, if we can make it huge, let's get it huge. Does Jay trading the dark pool affect prices on the NYC Mac cores? Said yes, which contradicts everything. No, it does, strongly. It does. It doesn't contradict anything. People have this misunderstanding that trading in the dark pool is not reported to any public exchange, and it absolutely is. So if a trade takes place in the dark pool right now, within a minute, it will be reported and everybody will see it on the ticker tape. I know that is what a lot of people don't think happens, but dark pool trades are reported. So yes, Course is correct on that one. The only thing I really don't agree with Course on, and it's his investment strategy as opposed to mine. I listen to the dude, not a ton, but I do hang out in his live streams sometimes. But he says never buy a rising stock that's hitting a brand new all-time high, and I don't necessarily have a problem with buying a stock that's hitting an all-time high. If you're looking at a stock, I don't know, nice bottom left to upper right curve. I'm not saying if AMC jumps to $80 right now, that is a more dangerous play. But if you're looking at a stock that all it does is hit new high after new high, month after month, it's beautiful bottom left to upper right, I have no problem buying that stock. I don't think you're chasing gains at that point, like he says, but I understand his thinking in that he's waiting for a pullback before he goes in and buys. Not a huge pullback, of course. You could watch it pull back a little bit, bounce off support, and then go higher. But I don't think that if you're getting into a nice, steadily rising, just fundamentally sound company, I don't have a problem buying a stock that hits a new high. That's really the only thing that I've heard that I mean, that and I think that chipmunks are better than ducks, but that's about it. I'm gonna get hair implants with my attendees. Thanks for the motivation, Clay Bro. Infinite Zero. Do it, man. Do it. I like it. Do another line, Clay Bro. Yikes, Alec. We fallen a little bit, Alex. We fallen? I don't know. Do another line. We gotta get this line, dude. You said do another line, and I'm thinking the energy level was falling, not the stock. We could just move the stock. We could just move the line down. Man, that's how bad you guys are. Now you got me thinking when he says do another line, I'm thinking about the energy level and not the price of AMC. So that is how much you guys have corrupted me. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I should probably sign off and save my life now. Oh, boy. What are the point of dark pool trades then? Kidding. Simply, the point of dark pool trades are to have the trade reported post-trade so that they can get out of their position or buy their position before running the price up or down. That's the point of a dark pool trade. I don't agree with it, but that's the point of it. Sold all my crypto till after the squeeze. P2P, nice, my man. All crypto till after the squeeze. Okay. Just grab another 8 shares, trying to keep adding to my position with these prices. No EE, very nice. Cookie, so nice to see you. It is nice to see Cookie, isn't it, Natalie? People, there's a big mother of all short squeezes coming. We just have to be patient. Why do you think they haven't covered? It's too much money. Let's do it, man. Let's wait. Let's be patient, and let's take all of their money. Natalie is gorgeous. GQ Pose. First one to say it today, man. Everybody else was saying it. GQ Pose is the first one to say it. I like it, GQ. You're the man. You took one for the team. Look at that 45 star sell-off. You cannot debate that it's manipulation. It's high-frequency short selling. It could be, Antics. It could be some high-frequency short selling. I mean, yeah, it's possible. I do think that people are selling, though. I do think that some retail investors are selling as well. And day traders as well. They're following the technical lines, man. Sold all my crypto for AMC stock back when AMC was at $12. Oil tipped made a killing on Doge, dude. So he's doing very well. That's what I'm thinking I should do. Nice. You should see Brett. It's true though. GQ. You should see Brett. You might sway your opinion. Play bro, YouTuber Teddy Zane is promoting swing day trading AMC. He says it does not hurt to squeeze. Is that true? Tone Docs. I have no idea if it's true that Teddy Zane is promoting day trading AMC, but it is 100% inaccurate that it does not hurt AMC. That it does not hurt to squeeze. That is inaccurate. Day trading and volume would hurt to squeeze. So that is 100% inaccurate. I will debate that all day long if somebody says that day trading doesn't hurt it. Even if you tell me that trading 1 or 2 shares doesn't hurt it. Day trading hurts it. Several reasons. We can talk about a couple of them. 1, if you day trade it, you could be directly selling to cover a short position. 2, the only thing that we have to do in order to watch this stock squeeze, the fundamental at its core, a short squeeze is squeezing the supply so that increased demand shoots the price up. You cannot restrict supply if you are day trading the stock. So it completely goes against the fundamental idea of what a short squeeze is. Same. I really cannot be that much away from Clay. I'm so glad you're back, Cookie. Come on now. Stay here with us forever, please. Started with 12 shares. This price action has allowed me to get 61 and counting. Agent Jack Stone. I like it. I like it a lot. Sup, Clay? C Hill, what's up with you? Tone Docs. I thought I answered that, didn't I? Or am I just back up in the chat now? I don't even know. Yeah. Tone Docs. Absolutely, man. Would you recommend holding crypto portfolios right now? Patrick. I have Zcash right now, man, but I don't have I got Zcash from like a long time ago, mining it, so it's not something that I have in like a Webull portfolio or anything. So yeah, dude, I'm holding Zcash for long term. Dude, I've had Zcash since like 2017. So I was mining that bad boy a long time ago. Just want to shout out to the hedgies for the discounted AMC shares I bought. Thank you. Yes, shout out to all the hedge funds out there providing us with these lovely discounts today. If you are buying AMC, thank you for the discount. Thank you for the extra shares that we could get as opposed to $72 a share. Of course, says, hey, what's up? Hey, day buying. What is day trading when you have no sell button? I don't understand. Exactly, J Bones. If you don't have a sell button, you are just day buying, my man. Gotta get back to work. Have fun, guys. Natalie, join us later if you can get away from work for a minute. You know, go to the bathroom for 2 or 3 hours, hang out there, and hang out with us. And nobody's gonna ask you why you were in the bathroom so long. That's just a weird question. So they're not gonna go there. If you want a break, go hang out in the bathroom for 2 or 3 hours and come back with us. Doge, Ethereum. I do like Ethereum. Doge, I don't have my Doge anymore, but I will get back into Doge if we see a decent level of support forming here. Hey, bro, can you explain that, again, that price manipulation for retail investors own the majority of the shares? Nufo. Yeah, man. We can, so, price manipulation. Look, we own the majority of the, retail investors own the majority of the shares. But I'm not classifying all retail investors as apes. And I didn't even know who started the whole apes thing, but sure, people are running with it. But if you're in it for the short squeeze, you're not selling the stock. If you're not in it for the short squeeze, you can sell the stock. And then so manipulation at its finest would be a hedge fund selling off a lot of stock or shorting the stock enough to drive the price down a couple of dollars, right? And if the price goes down a couple of dollars, then the retail jumps in. Retail, not apes. Retail jumps in, and they start to sell the stock too. And then it snowballs. And then the FOMO buyers who thought they were apes, they might get out as well, and it causes a sell-off. Really what I believe we're seeing right now, we're going from $70 down to $30 per share. I think that's a lot of what we saw. You know, hedge funds put up a big wall for us, and when the stock was at an all-time high, people were scared. They were nervous about holding it or getting in that high, and then as soon as it started to pull back a little bit, they thought it was over, and then they get out. So that is a decent way that you can manipulate the stock without having to push it all the way down from $70 to $30. Let the panickers, let the people who are scared do the rest. You just start the little pebble that you roll down the side of the mountain, man, and then it gets bigger. So that's a decent way that they can do it, even if we own the majority of the stock. I don't know. I don't usually sell my crypto because more taxes, but I haven't helped them for a year. Jennifer. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what your crypto holdings look like or what you're comfortable with, but do whatever you're comfortable with. All right, bro, what do you think this week looks like for AMC? Erica, I'm certainly hoping that it goes up. I'm more of an ape. I'm a Sasquatch. I like it, PD Pete. Have to day trade to buy more stock. I have 21 CCI shares if... Marcus, if what, man? Yeah, I don't mean to be a party pooper, but I don't underestimate the number of day traders, scalpers, and swing traders. Absolutely, man. Hello, Clay. How are you, my young ape? Denny, I'm doing good. How are you, my old ape? Peter Pete, yes. Next financial crisis movie will be called Margin Call, The Return of the Big Short. I like it, Lex Luthor. Can I be in that movie? Ape Father going crazy lately. I enjoyed watching his videos, even though he only talks about Uncle Lou. Yes, he does talk about Lou a lot lately, but didn't he say he was done talking about Lou? Oh, we have Jesse. No, we are not. Party pooper in the chat. No, he is not a party pooper. Agent Jack Stone is the man. I have to day trade AMC to buy more shares. I hold 21,345 shares of AMC and still day trade. Marcus, are you day trading AMC, dude? Don't day, like, I can't tell you not to, but, you know, day trading AMC does go against it. Day trade options or day trade any other stock in the entire market. Except GameStop. If I tell you to day trade GameStop, they'll probably be mad at me too, so don't do that. Short squeeze, dude. You got to be looking out for the short squeeze. Biggest ladder attack I've seen this week is must cost the hedge funds a fortune. GQ pose. Millions of dollars would not be fortunes for hedge funds, but yeah, it probably does cost them a lot of money. Hey, Clay, I always enjoy your motivation with our beloved AMC. Nigel Dean Kinnett, thank you very much. I enjoy the fact that you enjoy it. You know why? Because that means I'm doing what I want to do, man. As long as you guys are enjoying it, I like that. He said he was done talking about Lou, but he still talks about Lou. Come on! And didn't Lou say that he was done with YouTube and who's back on YouTube? Oh my God, these people. I don't think Ape Father will be done talking about Lou. It's only about a matter of time. Yeah, Roxo Zone, I'm telling you, I don't think anybody holds to what they say they're going to do. Love when you break from a game show host to talk about AMC positions, great viewpoints, at the same time installs confidence. Alex! Sweet, dude. It's good. I like that. Thank you very much for the positive feedback, man. Just bought 6 more shares. I'm broke! It's all I can do. Who's your proud? Who's your proud? Thank you for doing all that you can do Thank you for your service, my friend. Anticipate a huge run back up today. Smaller shorts will cover on top of these ladders down. GQ pose. I hope that your anticipation comes to light. Good morning, Clay. JLC from California 760. Good morning to you. Cookie says gracias to somebody. Didn't see what Super Facts by AMC said. Did not see it. Oh, there he goes. Cookie is beautiful. Ha. Thank you. You are correct on that one. Snapple Facts by AMC. Man, you guys are on it today. Calling them all out. I like it. Real apes buy and hold regardless of the price. Yeah, dude, but sometimes real apes can't afford to buy anymore. But then if they hold, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. The sequel to that movie will be called Margin Call, a second dip. Can I be in that movie too? Even if I'm not in the first one, can I be in the second one? Who talks about something? Are those a term for naked shorts? Mr. Enormous, it might be. It might be. Not exactly sure. Look that one up on Investopedia for me, please. Lost over 602 days. This is killing me. Illuminati. We move on, man. We move on. 602 days. Guess what? You can make 6,000 in 2 days. Kelly G says Clay. Kelly G. Kelly G. How are you? Hopefully you're having a good day today. Any thoughts on the Short Sales Transparency Act? Listen, I didn't read the whole act, but I do think that shorts should be reported. So, I think the more transparency, the better. Yeah, I think that they should be reported just like long positions are reported. I don't think that people should be able to... I don't know. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even know. If it's a... Alright, so I'm going to form an opinion right now. I'm thinking about it, okay? I'm thinking about it. So, alright, I formed an opinion, okay? If you're investing other people's money... Let's get this opinion out there. If you're investing other people's money, if you are a hedge fund or a bank and you're not investing your own money, okay? Hedge funds invest other people's money. That's what they're doing. Now, banks, on the other hand, it depends. And I'll summarize it as this. If you're investing other people's money, then yes, I do think that you should report everything that's in your portfolio, long and short. You should be as transparent as possible on what you're doing with somebody else's money. However, if I have long positions and short positions in my portfolio, if I'm a private company investing for myself, if I'm just set up as an LLC investing for myself, I don't think that I should be required to report what's in my portfolio to you or anybody else. If it's strictly my money, I'm going to say no. I don't think that somebody should be required to report everything that's in their portfolio. I believe that you should have that sort of privacy if it's just for you. If you're investing somebody else's money, then yes, I do think that you should be required to report both long, short, and whatever's in the portfolio. I think it affect AMC. Kelly G. It could. I mean, if they're required to report short positions, it could. Because we could see that some shorts are not being reported and then the short interest increases. So yeah, I do think that could have an effect on AMC. But in general, I don't think that somebody like a private portfolio should have to report what they hold. Had to dodge 2 tubers floating down the river to land him. Dude, I swear I must have missed something on that one because I don't even know what that one is going on. Oh my gosh. Lou versus synthetics is being Guatemala. Oh my gosh. Dude. Lou cannot be doing that, man. I mean, he can be. It's his channel. He can do whatever he wants on it, but... Oh my goodness. Isn't 15% interest not a little bit low for a squeeze to happen, or is it just Abe holding that will cause that? Haley plays. Yeah, 15% short interest could be a lot higher. I would agree with you on that one. That's why I get so skeptical of all these other YouTubers saying they're going to move on to something else, right? And they're not going to have their sole focus be on AMC at this point because there's so much market education that people need, right? AMC, there are plenty of stocks out there with higher short interest than AMC. Plenty of other short squeeze candidates. However, AMC, what does it have going for it? It has a group of people not willing to sell the stock that are super hyped for the short squeeze, that are willing to watch this thing go through the roof. That's what it has going for it. And although I do agree, there's a lot of knowledge out there that can be shared, I cannot stop the focus on what we got started for, on why we're here. And if we lose attention and lose focus and lose excitement about AMC, it just becomes another stock with a decent short interest. So, yes, Haley asked that question. You are correct that it's not as high as it could be. It's not as high as other stocks, but what it has going for it is the amount of attention, the amount of focus, and the people willing to take this stock to a short squeeze. You should take what Lou says is science fiction. Yes, or not even science fiction. Just a good novel. Potatoes floating down the river. That's what I thought we were going with. Brett, serious question, Brett. Did you fry anything in that bacon grease yesterday? Or did you just throw it away? Also, dude, bacon grease. Listen, this is a really, really good one. Okay, Natalie can get on board with this one because this is not eating the bacon grease. After you're done with the bacon grease, after you've fried all of your mozzarella sticks and your onion rings in the bacon grease, you pour it in a can, right? Because you don't want to pour it down the drain. Dude, here's how you do this. You take a toothpick, you wrap the toothpick in a napkin, not a full napkin, you don't need that much. Twist it up so it's nice and tight, stick it down in the bacon grease. Dude, you will have one of the best candles that you have ever had in your entire life. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you right now. Bacon grease, toothpick, wrapped in a napkin. It will not burn the same if you don't wrap it in a napkin. Wrap it in a napkin or paper towel, stick it down in the bacon grease, light that bad boy, and you've got the best candle that you could ever have. Yes, do that. Hopefully you still have that can, Brett. Bacon grease frying this time. I don't want Natalie to get mad at me. Natalie will not get mad at you for having that candle. I'm telling you guys. This is very true. Who taught you this, Cleve? I'm officially admit I taught me that. And after testing several wicks, found out that a toothpick wrapped in a napkin is the best one. Toothpick alone? No. Like other things alone? No. Toothpick wrapped in napkin, you gotta go for it, man. I would watch Clay make bacon recipes all day. Glider. I'm telling you, dude, you probably should because in using that bacon grease as a candle, you got to do it. Clay be like, follow me for more life hacks. I'm telling you, dude, listen, try it. Just try it. You will be impressed. All your friends will be impressed. Everybody will like it. It smells like you're making bacon, and it literally, it does work. It's a little weird when you put it in like a I don't know, can that has like corn on it or something, because then you're like looking at it and it's like, well, that says it's corn, but it smells like bacon. That's a little weird, but dude, just use whatever can you got. It's not stinky. Jessica, it is not stinky. I'm telling you right now, it's a good deal. You're gonna like it. It's like you're making bacon. If you don't like bacon, you probably won't like it, but if you do, you will. Just pour the bacon grease down the drain, easiest way. Oil tipped. You don't pour the bacon grease down the drain, dude, because then it clogs your drain like it'll clog your arteries. Come on! Don't pour it down the drain. Make it a candle. Right, you got one job. I didn't need to do what Rocket had to say. Darn it. You were supposed to spike that. That was a setup. I missed it. Gosh, I missed it. All right, we're going. Bacon grease was heart attack. You guys won't even be around for the squeeze. We'll be paying your hospital bills with squeeze money. Natalie, we will not. Listen. Don't eat bacon every single day, but eat bacon when you want bacon, and make candles when you're done making bacon. And don't go to the hospital. Rip off. That's what I'm saying. Oil tipped. Oil tipped and I are better friends than you guys actually think, because it will get clogged. It will. Don't pour it down the drain. Would you like to be a fly on the wall inside hedge fund's office? Denny. Me too. We should go buy one of those little fly drones and go put it on the wall in a hedge fund office and see what's going on in there. My drain has never been clogged. Just run the hot water for a while. You'll be good, man. Romantic smell of bacon grease. Jessica, I'm telling you, you will like it. Your drain, it's because your drain is oil tipped. It glides right through. That is exactly right, Brett. Return 5.2 million. Borrowed 239. Ooh, interesting, NT. A lot returned, very little borrowed. Makes sense, Brett. It does. We'd love to be a follow inside hedge fund's office. I think we should rent one of those drones, man, and then go put it on a hedge fund's office. Pork shortage causing the price to go up. 3-pound bacon went from $10 to $15. Too bad we can't buy. Yes, Lex. I didn't know there was a pork shortage, but $15 for 3 pounds of bacon, man. $5 a pound. Might as well just buy steak. I don't eat bacon every day, but I do eat bacon every night. Glider. I like it. That's the best time to eat bacon, man. Also, this apartment. So, who cares? Come on, the landlord cares. Oil tipped. Oh my gosh. It's a great bacon debate. Do you cook it stovetop or bake it in the oven? I personally do it in the oven. Mr. Normus, stovetop, because then you can fry your mozzarella sticks when you're done with it. How is Robbing the Hood going up and AMC is going down? Crooked! Sons of bees. Yes, left-wing wacko. I don't like it. I don't like when Robin Hood goes up and AMC goes down, but that's what these people are doing. They saw a little dip in Robin Hood, and now they got to go eat it up. Charging me way too much anyways. They might be. They might be charging you that much because they anticipate that people will just pour bacon grease down the drain, so they got to charge for you and everybody else in the building, or if whatever the landlord owns another house, that they just have to assume that people are pouring bacon grease down the drain. Soon people will probably come in here and hope to hear us about AMC, and they hear us talking about candles and bacon. PDP, dude, that's where it's at, though. That's where it's at. AMC is just, like, really moving sideways at the moment, so you go on a little bacon rant, and you do good. Clay, I think you'll need to be pushing the education of HODL. Once it hits 100, many will fear we can't go higher. This is part of the game the hedge funds. Oh, yeah, Ryan Williams, man. I agree with that. A lot of people will think that 100 we're going to max out, but I'm telling you this right now, okay? We max out when everybody decides we max out. There will be people who think we're maxing out at 100. I don't, like, it's just whatever we can do. It's whatever we can do. There is no set price where the hedge funds have to stop paying for shares. So, I mean, I know the 317 of us in here aren't going to be able to make a huge difference when 4 million people own the stock, but as long as everybody holds out, that's how high the price goes. That's why it's so unpredictable and so beautiful at the same time. Is because it's truly up to us that's holding the stock. It's up to us how high it goes. That's what happens when there's guaranteed buyers. Yeah, they can't know it comes from me, so YOLO. Well, it's you crazy, man. Oh my gosh. They can't know it comes from me, so YOLO. Soon as it goes into the main lines, man, it's anybody's game. 30 million shorts are being covered, cause that to run up from $70 or so. Why would the reported 60 million or so cause the stock to go up to 1K plus? Taco stocks, good question. It was a little less. So that run up was actually about 17 million shares that were covered. That went from like $12 to $70. It was roughly like 17 million shares that were covered during that time. But at the same time, dude, that's what happens, okay? The stock wouldn't even run up from here to $40 if everybody was willing to sell it below $40. So that's the deal, man. That's the deal. It can run up as high as we think that it can run up. And if people are willing to sell it when it goes back to $80 per share, that's as far as it's going to go. But if everybody is on board with holding it, it can go to $50,000. You just you have to break that emotional barrier of, well, that's a lot of money. I should sell the stock now. And if you do that, and everybody does that, that's when we see the prices that we want to see. Denny Oliver, every 8 makes a difference. Absolutely, man. If you put mayonnaise on my Oreos, I will fight you. Good glider. Yes, dude. Don't put mayonnaise on Oreos. Anybody. Hey, what's up, bro? Not AMC. So I bought some more. Apes reinvested in the dips. By the way, this year in water, high of $2.29. I got it at $1.14. Very nice, Andrew. Very nice. If it does, I'm going to start a competitor with Boar's Head called a Boar's Belly with my squeeze money. I like it, Brett. I don't even know what Boar's Head is, though. Gosh, I'm terrible, man. If you put money in it, yeah, I saw that one. This is true. A Denny, and eventually AMC will rip upwards. Yes. Ew, mayo. Don't put it on it. Don't put that mayo on Oreos, please. I love celebrating days. Me too. Clay, you rock. Thanks for making sure apes hear that. Ryan, absolutely, man. Thank you for being an ape. Thank you for being in here and hanging out with us. Clay, problem is not everyone is going to hold. Dude, you are 100% correct. That is the problem. That's why I want to get rid of all these people who won't hold. And then when we get people who will hold, we win. You're 100% correct, dude. That is the problem. People will not hold for the higher numbers. So that's why I want them to get out now while people are still willing to buy it up. If they get out at $400, I don't know if as many people are going to be willing to buy AMC at $400 per share that are willing to hold it. So you're right. Let's get that bacon candle merch, Clay. Irish Scout. If I can find a picture of one of my bacon candles, I'll tweet it out. But it's on my phone. It should be on my phone. So I don't know if I can't do it now, but I do have several pictures of my bacon candles. So if I got one, I'll tweet that out and you guys can check it out. What happens if half the apes sell and the other half hold? Can it go to 4 digits? Black Star, if are you talking half the 4 million? No, I think if half the 4 million people sold, like if they sold it $100 per share, and the apes that are willing to hold it to 1,000 didn't buy that up, then no, it won't go that high. But if the people who are willing to hold it that long are the ones that bought it up and not the hedge funds, then yes, that would be good. It could go. What happens if, okay, I saw that one. Given AMC's crushing debt load, non-existent cash flow, and outdated business model, why wouldn't they reorganize, declare bankruptcy, which would render the stock worthless? Joey, why would they want to do that, man? Why would they want to do that? Just, is that what you think? Like, if you go out and you bought a house that you didn't like anymore, are you just going to live there until you get so far behind on your mortgage that you have to declare bankruptcy? No, it's not the responsible thing to do. It's not. People don't just declare bankruptcy when they get in over their head. They work things out and they do what they can to pay their bills. So bankruptcy is not an option. It's not a way out. And they're making money now. They're going to pay their obligations. They're going to do what people should be doing if they owe things and pay those off. And as far as outdated business model, I don't think that theaters are outdated business models. I think that theaters do have a place in the world. I love some crispy bacon in my California roll. Ooh, that does sound good. GG Glider. Andrew Mo Money's promoting looks Alco, the buy and sell signals on the chart. I think it's just bad because new apes will buy and sell. Oh, man. Possibly, dude. I didn't know he was promoting any buy and sell signals. Just take your buy and sell signals off of AMC. Obviously, we don't want it to drop, but if it does, apes load up, FOMO kicks in again. Is the catalyst to launch actually the price going forward more? Rat Phoenix, listen, that you might be onto something with that. I do think the price goes down. A lot of people are going to buy, and then we can see another run up. But here's the deal, man. It's going to be a very similar style run up to what we saw before. And if you get these FOMO buyers jumping on, they're going to be the first ones that jump off. So that's, although that might be nice to watch it go down and run up again, it's the quality of the buyers that is really going to allow this thing to squeeze to the price we want it to squeeze to. Bonzella put for profit, spent profit on AMC. What can I say? It happens. Nice away today. Denny, that stinks, but it's okay. It's still a discount for what will come. Ryan, didn't see what Denny had to say. Unfortunately, I bought early this morning when AMC was green. Denny, yeah, okay, it stinks, but you're still doing good, man. We're still close to the upside. Look, that yellow trend line is holding up nice right now. Ape gets in Doge, gets in the Doge head. Gets into the Doge, heads to GME, then swings by AMC, then drives to Tesla for a charge before getting on a rocket to the moon with space. Andrew. Interesting style, man. Possibly. He meant $100,000. Maybe I did. Maybe somebody did. If these bonds keep dipping, could they start buying them back? I don't know what the terms are on their debt. I don't know if they can buy their debt back before expiration, like before maturity, I should say. I don't know what the terms of their bonds are, like that detailed to know that if they can buy them back before maturity, because no, there might be a chance that that AMC couldn't buy them back, but you could go buy those bonds. Like if they're trading bonds on the market and bonds went extremely low, then yeah, you could go buy. I don't even know what the bonds went down to. Wasn't it like $6 or something? If you go back and look at the price of the bonds when AMC was face to face with bankruptcy, like, look, if you bought that bond for $6 and it's facing bankruptcy, you got a very high likelihood that they're not going to pay that bond back, right? Because they're going to declare bankruptcy. But you buy that bond for $6, and now it's trading at, I don't know, $90 or whatever it's trading at right now. You can either sell that bond for $90 and make your profit there, or you can collect $3 on a $3 bond, and you're making 100% annualized interest. So you've got that opportunity, but I don't know if AMC can go buy them back, if that's in their terms or not. How about Clay's line, though? Boom, boom, Alex. The line is holding up right now beautifully, guys. Beautifully. Like, market manipulation. If the SEC is worried about market manipulation, this is here at its finest. I drew this before this trend started, so it is following that line to a T. All right, do you need to squeeze within 12 months? Jason, I sure hope so, man. When Moon Day? Soon Moon Day. Thanks for the reply. My thought is that we need a catalyst to trigger margin calls or pressure the smaller, less capitalized hedge funds to cover. Yeah, dude. Yeah. And you know what? I'm more on the line of thought that no shares being traded is going to be a bigger catalyst than a higher price. I truly think that the hedge funds have enough money. See, that's what they can... The hedge funds can prepare for and adjust for the increase in price of AMC. If AMC goes to $200 a share, $300 a share, and they need money, they can find the money. They can sell off other shares, they can take on other loans, whatever they need to do, they can find the money. If AMC goes down to having 0 shares per day traded, they can't go out and find other shares of AMC. That's not something that they can account for. They can't go out there, and I know a lot of you guys would think that they can go out there and create new shares of AMC. No, they can't. So they can't go out there and solve that problem. They can solve the money problem. They can't solve the supply problem. Unless, of course, you guys vote for another 50 million shares of AMC to be issued, and all of a sudden Adam Aaron just decides to give it directly to institutions again. That would be one way that they could solve a supply problem. Yes! Hedge funds, geeks are stupid. I would love to have a cage match with their meanest, roughest, toughest guy. Danny Oliver. That would be an interesting cage match. Clay, you're awesome. Keep up the good work. Mina, you're awesome, dude. Keep being in here and hanging out with us. I know we need a catalyst, so I spent the whole weekend stealing catalytic converters, but we still haven't squeezed. What am I doing wrong? Brett, nothing. I don't know where this dude comes up with this stuff. You have not stolen enough of those yet. So you just need I think you need a few more. How many did you get? Like 6? You need a couple more, dude. You need a couple more. Get some dudes in your area, get a group going, and do like a massive theft on catalytic converters, and then we might see the squeeze come because of that. So I do not condone that sort of activity. But you're on the right path, man. You're on the right path. Does a mass investor take off his mask to sleep? Danny Oliver, I have no idea, but I need to know if he takes it off to eat, or if he just pokes a little hole in it and then like drinks smoothies. That's what I really want to know. Mental, that isn't for chat, more of a message board or DM? I did not see Mental. Darn, I missed it. What did Mental say? I don't even know where it's at now. Darn. Jim says at 6. What are we at 6, dude? Is that how many catalytic converters you got? It was 6? I think that's what you got going on there. Man, this yellow line is absolute beauty at this time. Is the chat working? I feel like somebody should be typing in the chat right now, but it looks like it's stuck. He can take it off, but it's extremely painful. Ah, Terrence. Yes, that would make sense. That's why it always stays on. If it's like part of his face. No public or direct offerings in 2021. No chance to self-imposed dilution. No chance, Denny. No chance for new shares to be issued and sold within 2021. However, they do have another 11 million authorized shares that they can go out and sell in 2021. That's how we got from 501,780,240 shares outstanding to the 513 million, whatever, something, and 240 shares that are currently outstanding. So, yes, and we can get all the way up to 524 million and change. I don't know what exact the number is, but it's 524 million something. So, your boy Adam Aaron can dilute you slightly further. It's just a matter of will he in 2021. What day is earnings? Zach Brob. Earnings. Adam Aaron tweeted out that earnings call was going to be on August 9th. I think they're going to drop the price to 30.20. This is it. Remember, we're getting near the end. They're going bankrupt. We hold safe for the dip. They're just trying to scare people out. David, I don't know if they're that close to bankruptcy, but yeah, dude, we're doing what we need to do. But keep in mind, guys, okay, with roughly 100 million short shares out there, the hedge funds were losing about $4 billion, okay? $4 billion does sound like a lot of money. That's how much they were losing on AMC. That does sound like a lot of money, but in the grand scheme of the financial system, $4 billion is not a lot of money. So we can do so much better than the $4 billion that hedge funds were losing. We just have to get there, okay? We do. You skipped my previous chat, Clay. Natalie, I would never skip your chat. I honestly probably didn't see it. Cookie, or Natalie, send it again. The last two I saw, you just said something about Denny, and then you said something to Cookie. I scrolled up and didn't see anything. Maybe it didn't come through for me. Wouldn't be the first time that Streamlabs was acting weird. Send it again, though. Go copy and paste it and send it again. I'm not selling. I'm holding for generational wealth. My 8 brothers and sisters, 970 share. Very nice, Brandon. Very nice, dude. I hope to get that generational wealth, too. No matter the cost, no matter the deep, no matter the cost, no matter the deep, not matter the lost, we ain't selling. Ratfin, that was very poetic, man. I like it. My bad, the 11 mil. Yeah, we do have those left. We see Lucky Chipmunk today. Denny, I don't know, dude. I don't know where the chipmunk's at. I put seeds right on this step right there, and he hasn't ate them today. Earnings is the 9th. My birthday is the 11th. Could it be my birthday squeeze? It absolutely could be, Brett. I should call Adam Aaron up during the conference call and ask him if we could squeeze on the 11th for your birthday. That's a legitimate question. Agreed. Not bankruptcy. These hedge funds will take a hit, but they know how to play the game. They do know how to play the game, man. We got to take them for as much as they're worth. You get a birthday squeeze regardless. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brett. How do we know that some of the short positions that are being reported aren't ones that are making money? They probably are, Taco. You should assume that short positions are making money at this point. Not all of them, but you should assume that there are plenty of short positions that are making money. Where did you buy the TBC coffee mug? I want one. I didn't buy it, dude. I don't know if I got this one for Christmas. I would assume Amazon. I don't know if I got that for Christmas or my birthday. I would assume it came from Amazon, though. And you guys never get to see it, but it's one of those, like, if you pour hot stuff in it, you got Super Saiyan and Super Saiyan God Vegeta, and on the other side you got Super Saiyan Goku and God Goku. But it's not hot, so that's why you can't see it. What is this selling thing you speak of? Carl. I don't know. I'm not worried about it now, but when it's time to sell, it is called taking your profits, booking your profits, selling the stock, and gaining. Abe's not leaving. Absolutely, Paul. I'm down 4K today. Should I sell? Doug, if 4K scares you, then maybe you should lessen your position. If 4K doesn't scare you, then no. Are you broadcasting the earnings call? Denny, I do plan on it, man. I do plan on it. Do you think it will go up August 9th? You know what, Barua, I don't think that we're going to see anything come out on August 9th that should make this stock go up. I believe that the focus on August 9th is going to be on how well the executive team is doing at AMC to go out there and aggressively buy up other theaters and take advantage of the fact that they made a lot of money diluting the stock over the last year, and that they are no longer facing bankruptcy, that they have the money on hand to make it through several years, blah, blah, blah. The fundamentals are improving, all of that good stuff. So I do think it's going to be a nice pat on the back for AMC and the AMC executive team, but I don't think that any of that stuff should have an effect on AMC's price, because AMC is not worth $36 a share, so I don't think that it should have any effect on AMC's price. Hey, are you gonna be? Yeah, I saw that one. I should be broadcasting the earnings call. It's time to sell when I'm rich. There's all there is to it. C Hill, absolutely, man. If you're feeling rich today, what can you do, man? I think you're gonna miss out on some potential, but if you're feeling rich, dude, I say go for it. Down 600,000, still holding on for dear life. Douglas, 600,000, man. That's a pretty big loss there, but if 600,000 doesn't scare you, man, I say stay in for the long haul. It's like 570 pizzas. Nick. Oh my gosh. He's on it, man. He's on it with the pizza price there. He just sold 3 Tesla to buy more AMC. Just got to wait the 2 days. C Hill, very nice, man. You got to let that money clear. Goku transforms into a giant ape. Hold up an AMC sign. Yes, Goku. Does Goku still transform into a giant ape? I don't know if he does. Does he still do that? Or is that just Gohan? Might not have an effect on the price, but it will show what a bad situation the shorts are in. NT, yeah. I mean, it would show that. Because, the shorts, the whole game. But here's the deal, though. Here's the deal. Okay? Especially if shorts were shorting at like $2 and stuff. But shorts, if they can outlast us, and this, I don't want people to take this the wrong way or anything. But if the shorts can outlast us, the shorts will win. Okay? If they can outlast us, the shorts will win. AMC is not worth $36 a share, and it's going to be very difficult to justify a $36 per share price. So post-squeeze, unless we stay on board holding this stock, it's going to be difficult to maintain that $36 level. So the shorts, based on fundamentals, if the stock price reverts to its fundamental value, the shorts are going to be doing okay. Now, if we squeeze them for everything that they're worth, in the meantime, they won't be able to stay around and watch that stock revert back down to its fundamental price, and that's when they lose. So that's what I hope for, and that's what I want to see. Nope, he can't transform. Lost their tails. I know, Black Star. That's what I was wondering, but somebody was saying they could, so I didn't know if something came back or if they got their tail back or if it's been stuck in his pants this whole time. Think about that. You laugh at me all you want, but I think the short squeeze begins October. Let's see it, Denny. I would love for it to begin anywhere. I'm long on Claybro YouTube channel. Rock it. Don't short the Claybro YouTube channel, people. Be long on the Claybro YouTube channel. I'm with you, Rocket. Slow, steady, we win the race, man. We are here to stay. So hold. Marushka. Absolutely, Marushka. I have too much invested in this. Rocket, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. You're not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. We're in this together, man. We're going to grow, and all of you are going to be around here with me. Yes. All right, guys. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Woo! Nobody left. Perfect. You guys are awesome. I'm telling you. Must remember the deep, deep hole the hedge funds are in. Yes, dude, and they dig it deeper every single day. Amazon package. No, I actually had to. Coffee, man. It hit me. Yes, we all have tails. Apes, it's in the DNA, absolutely. Long on the subscribe button, day trading that like button. Brett, man, you're messing with me a little bit. Day trading that like button, don't do that. And no, we actually did lose 45 people in here, so thank you guys a lot for that. How long has this channel been up? This channel has been up for quite a while. Go check it out. All you gotta do, Marushka, is that who it was? Yeah, Marushka. You can click the About button and see how long the channel has been up. But if you want to know about the live stream, it's been about an hour and 39 minutes. Clay, do the Big Bank Challenge. Hey, what is the Big Bank Challenge, man, that I'm supposed to be doing here? AMC Apes are loyal people, especially the group from January to February 20th. I would agree with that one, Denny. Can't spare a square. Come on, man. Spare a like button for me, please. All apes have the potential to be Super Saiyans. It's true, dude. Not all of them reach that. Getting educated about stocks comes in response to a need, not a desire to learn. Andrew is on it, man. Andrew knows. WTF. Doc! WTF what? You scared the crap out of me coming back like that? Give a guy some warning. Sea Hill, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. There's like, look, I'll tell you, there's about this much, there's this much space between like the chair where the laptop is sitting and the chair where I'm sitting, so I just jumped over the side of it. It's all good. J-Man! Thank you for the super sticker. J-Man says, Thank you for the popcorn. Want some? Thank you very much for the super sticker, J-Man. Appreciate the popcorn. I love it, guys. Say, Clay! Got the best name in the chat, man. S&P has muscle, baby. Clay Shaw. Clay Shaw. Clay, you're unbeatable. Or your upbeat attitude, reality checks, all the YouTubers. Gosh, I hate the term. Exactly what's needed. Thanks, man. KDS. You can call me an adult entertainer if you don't want to say YouTuber, dude. So you can say that if you want. But I do appreciate that. I do appreciate that, man. Listen. Up days, down days. We're here to make money, dude. And I know that money isn't everything, right? But we're having a lot of fun making this money. So I am glad that I'm not sitting here with a bunch of people who hate money. Otherwise, that would just be weird. You should not invest in stocks if you hate money. But yes, I'm glad that I'm able to share this with all of you guys and have a lot of fun doing it. Unfortunately, I'm out of that range. Darn it. I want Rocket to be in range. Use restaurant rules. Yell corner. We're coming back for those quoting. Yes, we are. I added 100 more shares. Ito M3, very nice. Only competition is Benji. Dude, there's no such thing as competition, guys. There's no such thing as competition. I would recommend, and I know a lot of people view it as competition, right? I talk about AMC, somebody else talks about AMC, all of that, but I am of the mentality that, dude, you can watch 2 live streams, you can watch 2 videos, you can just go click on it, let it play. Just because I do a live stream and somebody else does a live stream doesn't mean that you can't watch theirs, you can't watch mine, you can't watch both of them. And I still believe that you should take in their opinion, take in my opinion, form your own opinion, and go with that one. You know what I mean? Like, go with yours. You guys know, man, that I have a different opinion than a lot of people out there on a lot of things. And they disagree with me. It's okay. And if you disagree with me, okay, dude. We're still here for this short squeeze. You're allowed to disagree. I don't really care if you agree or disagree. But, yeah, man, competition, we all share the same goal, dude. We want to make money. And we want to make money squeezing AMC. So I don't think it's necessarily competition. My competition would be more or less the hedge funds. But I don't think that they're posting videos on AMC. What you drinking? Coffee! He's drinking Red Stag. No, I'm drinking coffee. Money isn't everything. Ever seen a sad person on a wave runner? Depends, dude. If it's really cold out and the water's really cold, you could be sad on it. But if you're the one driving, I would assume you got that wave runner for a reason, and you're just ripping that jet ski. So No. I've never seen one, but I can imagine there might be somebody out there that's just holding on for dear life. Noble Trader, bro. What's up, Noble Trader? AKA Clay's hair. Clay Bro's hair. How you doing, man? Ready to do your thing? Let's do it. Clay Burton equals Clay Shaw. Interesting. He's drinking a brass monkey. I'm drinking coffee, guys. Am I the one who secretly wishes for the price to drop so I can get more shares? No, I think people do wish for that, but here's the thing, man. Buy more shares if it drops. Otherwise, you're just being hopeful. The Clay Father, J-Man. Just bought another 10 shares. Let's go, Mike. Right. Very nice. How do people consistently compare when we are all within the same community? We are all together. What does it have to do with the share price? I have no idea, Megan. I have no idea. We are all in this together. Yes. If I send you a pack of organic energy powder, would you try it and give me feedback? Dude, what is organic energy powder? Okay. That's kind of scary. What is organic energy powder? Because I don't even know. Do you see what Robinhood has the market cap as for AMC 26? And yeah, Noble Trader. I have no idea what's going on with that. Somebody that has Robinhood needs to ask them what's up with their market cap for AMC, because I couldn't figure that one out. I don't know what they're doing with it. Buy and hold, buy and hold. That's how apes win this war. It is absolutely how apes win this war. If everybody on board is on board to hold AMC, we win. But until then, it's just going to be a matter of time. Match my super chat. Love you, Clay, bro. AMC, buy, hold, faith. Yes, Denny. That's what I'm talking about. Denny's calling all of you guys out. Match my super chat. I will match your super chat, dude. I will read it. And hopefully you get your sticker pack by, I don't know. Does anybody work for the post office? How long does it take to mail a letter these days? If I were to mail a letter to Denny, which I'm currently doing, how long does it take to get a regular letter mailed through regular mail? Like if I just stick a stamp on it and put it in the envelope, or stick a stamp on the envelope and put it in the mailbox, how long is it going to take to get to Denny's house? Denny, do you work for the post office? What the heck, man? How do you know? Priority's like 2. Yeah, I know priority's 2 to 3 days, but if I literally just stick a stamp on the envelope and put it in the mailbox. I heard people trading off Robinhood are not getting shares for a while and getting messages saying their shares are being located. Noble Trader. I have not heard that from anybody, but dude, that would make me mad if they don't know where my shares are. Depends how far it's got to go. Let's say far. Let's say I can't get any further than Southern California. Like Ohio to Southern California. Couldn't get any further than that. What would that be? But I mean, Denny, I don't know. I don't think Denny lives in Southern California. So, how far would that be? Rocket says sneak peek, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, sneak peek. Are you guys ready for this? Oh, sneak peek. You guys ready for this? You know I do. I know you do what, man? What brokerage do you have? Weeble. I use Weeble. Sneak peek, ladies and gentlemen. Is it a nice day outside? We're about to see the door. Is it a nice day outside? Oh my gosh, the blanket's on the floor. Look at that. Is it a nice day outside? Hey, say hi to yourselves right now. Say hi to yourselves. That's you guys right there in the chat. That's you. And we're bringing it around town. Around town. How did I can I not move it back that far? We'll go back a little bit more because there. Now that looks normal. I'm in San Pedro. Nice, Mike. Hawaii is further. Okay, Hawaii is further. That would probably take a while. Savannah, Georgia. I quit my job because AMC price explosion a few months ago. Nice, Denny. That's what I'm talking about. Sneak peek, ladies and gentlemen. Rocket. Thank you very much for the super chat. And hopefully you guys like the sneak peek there. I've seen Obama picture that. Actually, that's you want to see that? I'll show you that really quick. Is that a TV? I don't know. Did you see this right here? The thing you saw? No, that was the laptop. Give me 2 seconds. You guys are gonna like this one. You guys are gonna like this one, man. I don't know if I got this I think I got this for Christmas. Mr. Enormous. Unboxing! Come, I don't have any boxes in this entire house that I can unbox, dude. You guys are gonna like this one, though. I know it might be backwards, right? Yes. Alright, I gotta go take that back. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta take that back now. Clibro, I'm a mailman. Mr. Enormous. Yeah, Mr. Enormous is a mailman, actually. Okay, now I remember him saying that, because he said people, porch pirates follow him around all the time and jack packages. I don't like it. So my AMC fish tickets. This thing is over, my friends. Chris, it is not over. That's just crazy. Come on now. Unbox your cereal. I don't even know if I have any cereal here at this time. Unboxers. Oh, snap. Ooh, Taka might be onto something. I'm taking this back. Give me 2 seconds. Where's back? Can't believe you, dude. Tell me I got a bomb poster here. That's just a brief. A boxer briefs. He has to wear those blue shorts extra baggy. Absolutely. Gotta wear them extra baggy, man. Come on now. Oh, you guys. I love you guys so much. You're the best people in the whole entire world. But Mr. Normus, I don't even know if I said thank you for the unboxing super chat, but I don't have anything to box here, dude. I don't. So thank you. What's with the hardwood wall? Hey, wait, you don't like my wall, dude? You don't like my wall? It's my accent wall, man. Otherwise, it'd just be a big old gray wall. Now it's a big old gray wall with wood. Have a blowout party at Clay's crib after the squeeze. Yeah, dude, we're going to have a party at the crib after the squeeze, and only the green names are allowed to eat. Everybody else, you can't even bring your own food. There's going to be, Rocket's going to be at the door with Brett, making sure that people don't bring their own food to the party, and only green names can eat. So we've already discussed this. There will be a party. It's going to be a backyard barbecue, and we're going to be grilling shrimp for sure. But only the green names get food. Remember, yellow goes in front and brown goes in the back. That is correct. That is how I live my life. Teddy Whitey's briefs, boxers, right? All of them, man. All of them at the same time. Think about that. When you have to wear 3 different styles of underwear. Let me tweak your setup in 2 weeks. Dude, my setup is just perfect, man. You guys don't even know what... I literally have... You guys don't even know this. I have like a stool that I took from the bar island over there. The kitchen island. I got that stool. And on that stool is a PS3 box. And then on that PS3 box is my laptop. So it's... The chat is eye level with the camera here. And then I've got the ring light, and that's it. That's the setup, dude. That's the setup. It's legit. Can I get some food green names? No, there will be no sharing, NT. You cannot have any food at the backyard barbecue, man. Brett and Rocket are on enforcement duty. Shows in the chat. Oh, no, it's over. Hedgie's won again. Oh, dude, I must be doing something right if we got shows in the chat. Yes! I'm doing something right. Have you ever seen a brown recluse in your house? AOA, you know, no. Wolf spiders, yes, I've seen wolf spiders in the house. And I did actually look that up. Honestly, like 3 days ago, dude, because I pulled some clothes off the floor and a little spider jumped out of it. And I'm like, oh man, I'm glad I didn't put that shirt on. And wolf spider, they look like brown recluses, but brown recluses are kind of like, don't have any detail to them. They're just simply brown. But this was a wolf spider. I'm like, dude, I don't need to be bit by that. Because I got bit by something a little while ago on my forearm. And it was there for like 2 weeks. And I'm like, dude, I got bit by a spider. This ain't a mosquito bite. So, yeah. No, I have not seen a brown recluse in the house. I have seen a wolf spider in the house. Out of nowhere, once you let your guard down on any given day, AMC explosion 70%. Let's see it, Denny. I want to wait for it. I want to watch that 70% explosion. Are tighty whities still a thing? Wow. I can't confirm. Yes, they are. My Pap, if you're watching, tighty whities are still a thing, ladies and gentlemen. Harold Abdine, nah, I'm up 200%. Yes. A lot of us are still up about 300%. Harold, please go away. Harold, what is it? Harold, are you upset about something? I've been bitten twice by a brown recluse. Hospitalized for 2 weeks. Natalie. Dang. Why do you play around with spiders? Why are you doing that? If it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down. Taco lives by a code, man. He makes it. I only break out the X-Men tighty whities on Brett's B-Day and our anniversaries. Yes, that is the best time to do it. Best time to do it. Wish I could show you guys what I'm wearing right now, but I can't. Brown recluse spiders have a violin shape on their back. Are you sure? Now you get me scared because How big is a brown recluse spider though? Because this thing that popped out of the shirt that I had the other day, it had something on its back, but I swear it was a wolf spider, not a brown recluse. Can somebody ban the Muppet, please? I don't even know where he is. I can't do it in Streamlabs. I can't do anything in Streamlabs. I'm done with him. Ugh. Doesn't matter. 2,000 up. Doesn't matter. I don't even know. 1 inch. Oh, I was talking about spiders. Whew. Makes me nervous talking to Natalie sometimes. Yeah, that's about how big this spider was, actually. About an inch. Like, that's an inch, right? About how big the spider was. Dang, dude. Now you got me wondering. You got me worrying. Natalie, why you make me worry like that? Natalie. How big are wolf spiders compared? Because I looked it up, right? I looked it up. And it looked like I didn't get down and like look at that spider like this to see. How big are wolf spiders compared to brown recluse? Because now you guys got me thinking I can't go to sleep in this house anymore. I just gotta sell it and leave. Because I didn't kill that spider. I just let it go. They're not huge, but their venom is extremely poisonous. They will literally eat your skin off. No, dude, don't eat my skin off. Stop it. I had to do hyperbolic oxygen chamber. Dude, now you sound like you're in Dragon Ball Z with a hyperbolic time chamber. Treatments to bring my skin back to life. Scary stuff. What a jerk here. Mr. Normus, we're talking about spiders, man. Come on now. You know that. Ryan Gosling in the Notebook says, it's not over. It's never been over. Exactly, Rocket. Exactly. Rocket's watched that movie probably as many times as I have. Could appreciate an offer if you want to try and buy his loyalty. I would definitely appreciate an offer. Somebody please offer to buy my loyalty because nobody has offered me anything yet, and it kind of makes me feel left out. Also, Brooklyn Hoop Spites are known for their bullseye formation. This didn't. The one I got bit a couple months ago did not have a bullseye. Brown recluse looks harmless. Wolf spiders can get huge. It's me, Enormous. That is you. Well, this one was small. Wolf spiders eat brown recluse spiders. Ooh, I like it, Carl. Well, then maybe it's good that I left him and didn't kill him if he was a wolf spider. Wolf spiders see infrared. You are a big fireball to it. They're harmless. Matthew, if that's true, I like it. I want them to be afraid of me. We have black widows here in Cali. Dude, no. Maybe it's a brown citadel spider. Ooh! NT. It could have been a brown citadel spider. That's actually true. Wolf spiders still hurt like a bee sting, but no severe issues. Corona. You know what? Maybe that's what bit me then, because that did feel a little bit more like a bee sting. Like 2 months ago. Give you $7, Clay. Dude, make it 8. We might have a deal. If you're a bird, I'm a bird. Yes. Dude. Rocket. What do you want? What do you want? Dude, I've seen that movie like 50 times, man. Yeah, I hate spiders too. Oil tipped. I don't like them, but I didn't kill that one. Ohio was brown recluse country. No! Stay away from you brown recluses. Brown recluse will bite, but their bite isn't near as painful, but the venom will deteriorate your skin and must be... Gosh, dude, I don't like brown recluse bites or black widow bites. 775. Gotta be at least 8, dude. Now you're pushing me to 850. Wait! There are a lot of brown recluse in Ohio? They did say that when I looked it up. They did say that, yes. And we see the CDB fee on SY is over... No, I did not see that the cost to borrow Irving is over 116%. I did not see that, man. Yeah, but oil tipped. I've never been bitten by one. Apparently Natalie has. She hangs out with spiders. I don't know why she hangs out with spiders so often, but apparently she went to the hospital getting bit by a brown recluse. Natalie, why do you hang out with spiders like that? I tend not to hang out with spiders. Oh. You're the man, Brett. I mean, Brett. Brett is the man too, but Rocket, you're the man. How many times have you watched The Notebook? Now I need to know. Good old Noah. Nah, spiders hang out with me, Clay. Ooh. Can I be a spider? I'm not asking for a friend. I'm literally asking for me. Can I be a spider? I can be Spider-Man. I have a Spider-Man costume. It's legit. I could be your spider. Yeah, definitely no Texas, dude. Texas, the spiders in Texas are probably like this big. Forget that. Maybe she swallowed a fly. Carl. Very high likelihood. Peter Parker didn't become Spider-Man on the first bite. You have to keep trying. Absolutely, Brett. You have to keep trying. And I will keep trying, of course. Yes, man. Dude, my day just keeps getting better and better. Thank you, Natalie. Speaking of spiders, anyone see the new Venom trailer? I have not seen the new Venom trailer, Irving. Arachnophobia, Triple Dare, anyone who hasn't seen it. Guys, man, that sounds really scary, dude. No, you said I'm alright, Spider. I'm alright, Spider. Course is an exterminator by trade. He works for Orkin. No, don't exterminate me. Come on. Do you have Spider-Man PJs? No, I have a Spider-Man blanket. I have a Spider-Man blanket over there on the couch. And then I have Spider-Man pillowcase. I have a Spider-Man costume. I no longer have Spider-Man underwear. I have Spider-Man shirts. I have Spider-Man pajama pants. Oh, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Crypto. Yes, I do. I have Spider-Man pajama pants. My Spidey senses are tingling. Oh, yes. I had to go through it. Crypto. I didn't remember that I had those, but I do have Spider-Man pajama pants. Yes. 100 spiders from Australia. No joke. Real life face hookers from movie. Dude, forget that, dude. Australia, the bugs in Australia, no thank you. No thank you. Spider-Man underoos. Not anymore. I did have some, but I don't know. They probably got holes in them. I threw them away or something. I don't have those anymore. That's kind of sad, ain't it? Pre-existing conditions from multiple recluse bites. That's your spider sense tingling from the pre-existing conditions from the multiple recluse bites. Yes, Natalie, you should get that looked into. Natalie is still pending on the Twitter follow. Ooh, Mr. Enormous. Pending. Left on red. It's pronounced Spiderman. It's pronounced Spiderman. Look at AMC, guys. This is just a wonderful afternoon of sideways action for AMC, isn't it? Look at this range. Look how tight that is. Mr. Enormous, I followed you. Oh, come on! Mr. Enormous, you're not even pending anymore. She followed you. Get on it. Thought you were a grown man, Clay. Crypto Rocketeer. What is a grown man, dude? What is a grown man? For real. I'm a grown man and I can buy grown man things. Like Spider-Man pajama pants and a Spider-Man pillowcase and a Spider-Man blanket for my couch over there and a Spider-Man costume. Like, grown man all day long, dude. Never grow up. The Toys R Us kid. Found some Street Fighter boxer briefs at Marshall's once. They're still my favorite pair. I know. See, the problem is, Brett, when you find a pair of boxers like that, I found mine at a store kind of like Marshall's. And, dude, the problem is you just wear them so often, they just start to disintegrate, man. And then you need to buy at least 2 or 3 pairs when you find a pair like that. Apes to spiders, then it's spider apes. Yes, NT. I'm on board with you on that one. Nope, just checked. Mr. Enormous, if Natalie says she followed you, she followed you. You gotta get on it, dude. She definitely followed you. Picturing Ben White in the Batman costume, crying, treat yourself. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. Do it. Freaking Motley Fool keeps posting the same article every week. Motley Fool, stop posting the same article every week. I don't know why you're doing that. Irving's sick of reading it. We get it. COVID is priced in. Yeah, dude, we get it. We get it. Like, nothing is going to stop this price of AMC. Like, you can't fundamentally stop the price of AMC because we're so far away from fundamentals. We don't care. Natalie, Marshalls, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, in that order. The whole TJX family is wonderful. Yes. Home Goods is a good store. I like Home Goods. I would agree with you on that one. Irving says, hey, babe, to Rocket. Nice. Oh, my gosh. Don't forget, Lex Luthor, the Spider-Man mug. Yes. That is true. And, okay, I got this little Spider-Man thing. I don't know really what it is. It's just a little desk figurine. It's over there in front of that picture of Michael Scott. It says that's what she said. When the sun hits it, he goes like this. Pretty sure Dad got me that one. Agree, I love Home Goods. Natalie, let's go to Home Goods sometime. Have you checked Ortex lately? Matthew, no, I don't check Ortex, man. What's Ortex say right now? Are we talking about FTDs? I was hanging out with Matt Kors. Matt Kors checks Ortex like every 3 minutes, so I don't need to check it when Matt Kors checks it for me. So I did see Ortex this morning, technically. Mr. Normus, what's your Twitter handle? Mr. Normus, get your Twitter handle out there. Get your Twitter handle out there, and Natalie wants to make sure she follows the right Mr. Normus. Clay, just heard from my brother. He bought AMC X by accident and made large profit day trade. Denny Oliver, I'm glad that he made a large profit day trading AMC X. But does he own AMC as well, or no? Have you checked the short spider interest on Orkin? Taco, I have not checked the short spider interest on Orkin. That is interesting. What does it say? Oh, look, AMC is on sale again. AMC is on sale again. Look at, I'm just like, look at this channel, guys. For real. Move down, dude. What are you doing? How's that line not moving down? Oh, there it is. Like 36.20 to 35.80. We got like a 35-40 cent channel that we are just stuck in right now. Let's just try to make this channel look a little bigger. There. Now it might look like AMC is moving around a little bit. Even though it's not. It's just perspective. Crypto, not a chick, but he is a babe. Ow, ow, ow. Definitely. Agree with Brett 100 on that one. Started getting tired of AMC. That's when paper hands sell and it will squeeze. No, I don't know if paper hands selling is going to cause it to squeeze, but when we do get rid of all of the paper hands, we got a better chance of squeezing, yes. Estimated current short interest, 72.75 million shares. NT, thank you for the update. We do appreciate those updates, man. Estimated short interest, 72.75 million. I don't like the fact that the estimated short interest is going down, though. Tiger stocks. Can you show us your portfolio? Yellow Poppy. I could, but I won't. Watch Twitter handle. Someone help me out, please. Oh, what's Mr. Normus's Twitter handle? Somebody help me out, please. I'll help you out since Mr. Normus is sleeping. If I can find it. Let's see if I can find it over here. 5.9 million return, 239,000 borrowed. Nice! NT with the update again. Only like dudes, though. Well, dudes and Shayna. Shayna is the one, the only Shayna in the house, baby! Alright, let's see. I gotta scroll back down. These people on Twitter were really hating on me yesterday. I gotta scroll through all these tags and then get back to Mr. Normus when he tagged me in that picture. Since he's not in the chat anymore. Okay, so apparently I was following an actual... Oh, man. Natalie, interesting. Man, where the heck? People tagged me in a lot of stuff over the last couple of days. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm pretty sure Mr. Normus is Lance Romance, or at Koske Lance. It's Mr. Normus's Twitter. Go follow him. And that is Lance's finger in the picture. So don't be that disgusted by it. Natalie, that's hilarious. Yes, it is. Nice to be here with you, Clay. Yalamed, it is nice to have you here with me. Thank you very much, Natalie. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. What's the price target for AMC? Price target for AMC today is... Let's see what the price target for AMC today is. That's a good question. Oh, man, we're gonna be stuck in this range all day. I want to be out of the range. $37 is my price target for today. I want to go to $37. We got to get out of this range, though. Come on. Long term, much higher. Bingo! Yes, Mr. Enormous is in the chat. Come on, Mr. Enormous. What are you doing? Made me look that up in front of everybody when you could have just told Natalie what was going on. How many shares you have? Natalie, how many shares? Come on, AOA. She might have one. She might have a billion shares. Clay Bro, you're in good shape, sir. Izzy, you're also in good shape. You definitely look like you lift. Izzy. Only on some days. Only on some days, man. Not every day. Hey, Clay, you a BAM guy? What does BAM stand for? KDS. Help me. I might be a BAM guy, but I don't know what that stands for. Hey, bro, did you know that waffles are really just pancakes with syrup traps? Taco. Yeah, but here's the thing, dude. Like, Eggos, I would not consider Eggos pancakes whatsoever. And Eggos are waffles. So, it depends how you're going to make that waffle, dude. It really does. I would never consider an Eggo a pancake. I make some pretty good protein pancakes, dude. So, I would say, yeah, it completely depends on the type of batter you're using, because I would not consider an Eggo a pancake. In my mind, what did Irving say? Clay lifts up the AMC apes. Beautiful, beautiful sentiment, Irving. I love it. Let's go up. Rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it. Duh, we are doing it. We're gonna do it, man. I have to go and follow the wrong Dixie on Twitter. Just make sure you don't unfollow me, Natalie. Please don't unfollow me. Pancakes over waffles. I'm gonna make pancakes over waffles. Rip Citadel. Come up, hi Citadel. Rip to you. Behavioral analysis of markets. JD. Are you the one that said that? Who asked if I was a BAM guy? Was it JD? It wasn't JD that said that. Now I don't even know if we're talking about the same thing or not. KDS! Thank you for the super chat, KDS. But KDS did not get a message out there. So KDS, make sure that you, if you had a question, if you had a shout out, whatever, make sure that you get that in there so I can read it for you. And me, BAM. Oh, KDS. Behavioral analysis markets. Is that what you were saying, though? Is that what you were saying? Do I believe in behavioral analysis of markets? Look. Is that what we're talking about still? Me, BAM. Is that what we're still... BAM Margera. Yes! Dude, Rocket. Are you and I like this? We gotta be the same age, dude. We gotta be the same age. No need to read. Dude, there's always a need to read. Any word on Citadel being banned in China again? Tama, no, I have no word on that. Drop, listen, that's a really tight range, so even if we break out to the downside a little bit, I'm not too worried about it. Someone that said, Jan, I'm not too worried about breaking out to the downside of that range. We got support at 35, so I'm cool with dropping to 35. I don't want to drop below that, though. What is the price these hedges are betting the price will go down to? Some of them, a penny. Probably back down to $2. I'll DM you his latest. Do it, KDS. Do I follow you on Twitter? You can't DM me unless I follow you. Do I follow you there? If I follow you, then DM me. If not, tag me in something, and then I'll follow you. China banned 5 years ago. China banned 5 years ago. Yes, but it's lifted now, isn't it? Can we ultimately lose this war? John, yes, dude. Anybody can lose any war if they give up, man. Don't you know that by now? Like, if you give up, you lose the war. That's very easy. My parents only believed educational video games. Need to read is way worse than Need for Speed. Yes, Brett, I would agree with that one, man. The need to read is way worse than Need for Speed. Video games. I don't even know if I had any educational video games, man. Like Leapfrog? Who the heck wanted a Leapfrog? Not me. I'd rather have a Game Boy playing Pokemon Yellow than a Leapfrog. Oh my gosh, man. Leapfrog, what a great idea. Oh man, if the market crashes AMC with our negative beta, we'll go to the upside. Let's get it. Let's get it, Tama. Yeah, I don't think the people holding AMC are terribly concerned about the overall market. I think that we're very focused on AMC, so I don't think it's going to have a terribly adverse effect on AMC. Can you see anywhere the prices they are wanting it to go to? Can you see anywhere the prices they are wanting it to go to? Brad. No, I can't see the future. Let's buy a crash, so C goes up. Let's get it, Aaron. I don't know if the SPY crashing is going to cause the AMC to go up or not, but I want AMC to go up. Who do you think the biggest quitter is lately? Apes? There's some mobiles. Oh, man. I don't know, guy. Mr. Enormous, that's a good question, man. That's a good question. Maybe the apes need to get their mental health together. I don't know. It's a good question, though. Humans get scared, but apes buy, hold, and repeat. Carlos, yes, man. Yes, finally. All in on Bam then, Irving. Definitely, dude. All in on Bam. What was that show? Was that the name of the show that Bam was in? What was the name of that show? I remember that dude cut the top off of a Lamborghini and made it into a convertible Lamborghini. He took a Sawzall and literally cut a hole in the top of his Lamborghini. Like, that was a good idea. Oh my gosh. That dude was nuts. Was that the name of the show? Viva La Bam? Okay. Because that's one of the episodes that I remember, like, most. And then the other one, I don't remember what lake they were on, or what river they were on, but they went tubing down a river with, oh my god, what was the dude's uncle's name that couldn't even talk? What was the dude's uncle's name that couldn't talk? And they put him in a float and just let him float down the river for miles. What was his uncle's name? I forget his uncle's name. But you guys remember those two episodes? Those are the two that I, like, most vividly remember of that show. Don Vito. You talk so great, man. Oh, man. Congratulations, 19,000 shares. Somebody got 19,000. Nice. It must have been. Yeah, it must have been. What is your selling price when AMC squeezes? I don't have one at the moment. I don't have a price, but I'm just going to sell as soon as AMC squeezes. Oh my gosh, Mr. Enormous, is he really? Oh my gosh. Brad Scott, I have no idea. Probably because they're just trying to refresh people's interest into AMC. But I have no idea why everybody thinks that August is going to be the month that it squeezes. Vito, I'm telling you, man. Arkin and Brett are the co-founders of the National Legions of BAM? Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. What a classic show, dude. I swear, is everybody else's chat like this? Does everybody else... I feel like you guys were all on the same page, and I love it. I really do. Everybody else's chat would be like, who's Bam? Never heard of that guy before. You never know. It could be true that AMC squeezes in August. Oh, yeah, no, I do know. It could definitely be true that AMC squeezes in August, but everybody's saying that it's going to. It's kind of weird. Died in 2015. I did not know that. Dude, that was so sad. Man. How fast will AMC squeeze? Can you give us some indication? 1 day, 1 week, 1 month? What's your gut feeling? Haley, my gut feeling is very quickly. Okay? My gut feeling is going to squeeze very quickly. I don't think that... And now I could be wrong, alright? But you can watch the volume. If the volume is very high during the squeeze and we see a lot of excitement and a lot of people trading and taking profits and so on, it's going to be very quickly. And knowing that they only need to cover between 70 and 80 million shares right now, if the volume is very high, they can do that in one day easily. Will they? I don't know. But if we see it, then if volume is very low, if volume is like 1 million shares a day, then it's going to take them a very long time to cover. But if they got high volume, man, it could go over pretty quick. Clay, check Twitter. Kid, yes. Check Twitter. I think squeeze will last a week. Just my guess. Yeah, it very well could. As soon as I sell after the squeeze, I'm buying a house with cash. Dough. Very nice. In Ohio, you want to be neighbors? I laughed so hard with the captions when he talked about Virgo Alpha and Toy. Yeah, dude, that stuff was classic, man. Twitter is where I'm looking. Clay, what's for lunch today? Anything good? Natalie, very good question. I don't know what's gonna be for lunch today. I have one slice of pizza left over. I'll most likely just eat that right after the stream. But that's not gonna fill me up. So I don't know if I'll make a quesadilla or what exactly I'm gonna do for lunch. I don't know. Man, I am hungry though. Gosh, what are you gonna have for lunch? What should I have for lunch? I got one slice of pizza left, so I want to finish that. But then I'm not sure what I'm gonna do after that. Went up from 10 to 70 in a week. I'm 6'6", but I feel 4 foot in your arms. Oil tipped. Yes, it is. That is a quote directly from Oil Tipped. Man is sick. Dude, that dude's tall, man. 6'6". Why are you not in the NBA? Oil Tipped. Let us know on that one. That's my main question right there. He's having bacon grease. Pete, I don't have any bacon grease, man. Brett's got the bacon grease right now. I would like some bacon grease. Sushi? I'm not going to have sushi for lunch, no. Make hamburger. I don't have any ground beef, but I do have some of those. I do have some like frozen hamburger patties that I could make. I don't know if I'll do that though. What's up, Clay? Moo2, what's up? How old are you? 32. I'm pretty sure. Am I 32, guys? 1989? Does that make me 32? My parents told me I was born in 1989, so I'm going to assume that I'm 32. We are down again. Yes, we are down a little bit right now, but we can make it up. 2 steak. Let's do it. Lunchables. I don't have any Lunchables. I would want one of those. I said, how old are you? What's your social? What is your social? We need to know. Asking for a friend. Spaghetti with lobster tail. Marcus. Where do you get that? Do I have to make that? I don't want to make that. That sounds... I don't have any lobster tails to make, but I would do it. Katie's. Alright. I follow you, Katie. I got you. The questions today for AMC are answered by YouTube vids I posted over the past month. All of those vids show A3 as the front end of August. No change. Pullbacks triggered by signals. Contact 35. Vibrations. I buy plus calls. Alright, well, here's my thoughts on that, man. If the dude's wrong, hold him accountable. You shouldn't have people out here posting predictions and being as confident as they are that they can tell the future. So, hold him accountable. Clay, a turkey bacon grease is a better alternative to bacon grease. Don't hate guys trying to save you from a stroke or heart attack. Natalie, if it meant that I got to meet you, I would be willing to take that risk. So, I'm going to have to continue eating bacon grease if that's the best shot that I have, is having you as my nurse. So, as bad as that seems, I will be going to the store and eating bacon for lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch and dinner, breakfast, lunch and dinner, repeat until I finally get to say that I've been graced with your presence. Don't eat corn dog. I will not eat a corn dog. I don't have any of those. Natalie, write me up a nutrition plan. Yes, please, write us all up a nutrition plan. But write mine up so that I end up in the hospital with you as my caretaker. Claybro, can I put bugles on his fingers and eat them for lunch? I can't confirm I don't have any bugles in the house, so I will not be able to do that. Clover's almost ripping. Nice! Anybody want to rip on Clover? I don't have any Clover. I'm pretty sure my dad's probably got Clover, though. Dad, you watching right now? You got Clover, man? Are you taking advantage of this rip with everybody else? Darn Tesla, bro, on 100 since the 19th of July. Come on, Tesla. What are you doing up so much? Do you eat breakfast? I don't eat that much breakfast, man. I'm not a huge breakfast guy. I'll either have like a protein bar or something small for breakfast. I'm not huge on that, but I will make eggs and stuff for lunch. Rocket. I'll buy you some Dunkaroos. Yes, dude. I want some Dunkaroos, man. But I want the frosting kind with the sprinkles in them. I want the frosting. You on board with that? Clay, what's your favorite fighting game? Ooh, good question, man. Tekken. I'm gonna go Tekken on that one. Yeah, Dad, are you in here? I don't think he is. I don't think Dad's in here. I haven't seen him. I still eat Gushers and fruit rolls. Nice! Been eating them since junior high. Dude, Gushers are where it's at. I'm telling you. I would rather have a Gusher than a fruit roll-up or fruit by the foot. I'd choose Gushers over those. You're cool. Rob, dude, you're cool, man. I'm telling you. Got you, fam. Irving's like, got you, fam. Yes. Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness, Irving. No, but if out of the three, all right, finally breaking out of this channel to the upside. I like it. If I do have to choose between Gushers, fruit roll-ups, and fruit by the foot, I'm choosing Gushers. Where'd you get that Spider-Man mug, sir? I have no idea, Christopher. My mom gave that to me. She gave that to me 2020, probably. Dude, I don't know. It's probably like March 2020. It was warm enough to ride around with the windows down, but it was like right at the beginning of the whole COVID nonsense. I do remember that. I got a picture of it the day she gave it to me, so I could probably go look at the properties on that picture and see. Just joined. I bring luck. Holden, you do bring luck, man. Thank you. You should bring your daddy on one day and your mom or your mom. Dad, if you're in here, do you want to come on the live stream? Let's go. Do you work nights or not at all? What do you mean? Do I work nights or not at all? We're hanging out right now, aren't we? Come on now. Kind of gross. What was kind of gross? Gushers? Aw, dude, Gushers aren't gross. Holden be Holden. Heck yeah, Holden. You be Holden, dog. PS5 or Xbox? PS3, dude. PS3. It's the last one I got. PS3 is the last gaming system that I have, and it's actually right here, propping up the laptop. So it is. It's right there. Well, what is this? What is this, Brian? Yeah, I'm here, Clay. Oil Tipped is not my father. At least that I know of. He works for Orkin. Worst exterminator ever. Yes, I am the worst exterminator ever. No, shark bites, not Gushers. Gotcha. We're talking about shark bites again? Gushers are absolutely disgusting. Oil Tipped, man. What are you must be eating them wrong. PS2, greatest console ever. Don't fight me. At me. PS3. That's where I'm at. Daddy Ape Father. Yeah, C might be here. Actually, Genesis is #1. Ooh. Genesis is good. You want to play Tekken? I'm game, Clay. AOA, I honestly don't think that I can. How could I even play with you? You're probably playing on PS5 or something. I don't have PS5. I really don't think I can. Genesis does what Nintendo don't. Must be eating them wrong. It must be eating them wrong, dude, because Gushers are good. Clay bro, male gigolo. Mr. Normus! How do you know? Clay, did you know the waffles are really made of pancakes with syrup traps? Izzy, yes, because Taco told me that like 30 minutes ago, so I do know. Ooh, Sega Saturn. What about Dreamcast? Anybody on Dreamcast? Like NFL 2K2? Play that bad boy. PS5. I don't have it. Pong all day long. I remember the first time I had Gushers. I believe I was like 12. Opened the pack in the store. Albertsons. And before the end of the aisle, I was projectile. Clean them out of it. Oil Tipped. Those weren't Gushers, dude. That was something else. That was something else for sure. Gushers don't make you vomit. N64 GoldenEye. 4-player split. Yes, I will play that one with you, and I will also play teching. That's about it. That's all I can do. Clipper's 100% a sugar baby. Not a coincidence that Nancy went quiet. Nancy, don't let our secret out, please. Don't let our secret out. I don't want anybody to know. Sugar daddy? Pff, who wants a sugar daddy when you can be? Who wants to be a sugar daddy when you can be a sugar baby? Think about that. Yes, you know it. And they are disgusting. They're not disgusting. Rockets gushers sound like an explosive casting couch. Episode of Casting Couch. Justin, they might be, man. They might be. We should shoot that episode, shouldn't we? I see green. I see green too, John. I don't want anything bursting in my mouth, thank you. Well then, don't suck too hard. Odd job. No, man. I got odd job. Clay, look at the chart. I do see the chart, man. The chart looks nice, doesn't it? Except I want this green candle to be even bigger. This one right here. Go! Oh, we don't need to zoom in that far. That's just nonsense. Let's watch it run. I'm on Pop Rocks. Yeah, dude, I'm on board with Pop Rocks. I like Pop Rocks a lot. Is it a massive sell-off? No, I don't think so. Let's go 37. Let's go! Too far? I don't know. I don't know. Do we eat vegetables? Yes, I do. Double bottom. Any good news? All good news. We're going to break out of this tiny little channel that we've got going on right here. I know we're going to break out of it. We're going to close green today. We're going to be doing it. Baking candles popping, ladies and gentlemen. We got those bacon candles. You guys really do need to try a bacon candle, though. I'm not kidding. Like, I'm not joking about that. Clearly, don't go buy bacon just for that reason alone. But if you do cook some bacon, make a candle. You'll have fun. Weird need to come out. I don't know. I have no idea. AOA. Rockin' knows what's up. No. Natalie, I agree with everything besides the gushers. To the moon. Let's do it. Oil tipped. We will change your mind. We will change your mind. I'm telling you. Irving, it was cool. I mean, it was cool. I didn't see what Irving had to say. Darn it. I didn't see what Irving had to say. DIY words on Call of Duty. What? DIY words on Call of Duty? I don't even know. Guys, I'm so far back on this one. I don't even know what's happening right now. Let's just do lines of pixie sticks. Okay. Green candle. We've got green candles in the chart right now. Let's go. AMC to Pluto. LeBron Rubin did not take it. I don't have no idea about that, man. I have no sports rumors floating around my head. I can tell you that right now. No sports rumors floating around my head. I know nothing about sports. It was 94 or 95. It was like $300 back in those days. LeBron at Clippers, please. Let's go, maybe. For real? I have no idea. Those guys, if my brother's in the chat, he could probably confirm or deny those rumors. Nick F might know about those rumors as well. But and here's the thing. Here's the thing. I have never seen my brother type once in this chat, but I know he listens because he tells me. And like he's like, oh yeah, you guys were talking about this today. So I know he listens, but he never types anything. So, brother, if you're watching right now, type something. They're not going to know who you are. I will. I will. Massive dump. No, we're not going to have a massive dump. Come on. We're going to be doing very well. Claybro, wish you could have been in the AMC Ape collab with Trey Maskman and other guys. Yeah, me too, but here's the thing. On one hand, I'm kind of glad I wasn't, because apparently they all decided that they were going to shift their focus from AMC, and I'm glad that I wasn't going to shift my focus from AMC, so I'm kind of glad that I wasn't in that aspect. My stepdaughter told me to hold. You have a very nice stepdaughter, Doe. Penis. What do you mean? From here to the patio door? Or like how far away I am from the camera? I'd say, I don't know, about 23 inches from here to the camera, but I don't know. what exactly we're talking about. I love Clay, bro. Denny Oliver, man. I love you. I'm glad you're in here. Matt Quarters about to come on in 10 minutes. Let to Matt channel. Scorpion, don't leave and go to Matt's channel. Hang out with me. What are you doing? Just keeping them in. Do it, though. Keep them in, man. Keep them in. They said the DD is out. Nothing has changed. I agree with them. Yeah, dude, but here's also what they said, man. They said the DD is out, which, yeah, I do agree with that part, too. But they cannot shift their focus from AMC to overall market education. They cannot do that. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. That's bad news. If they lose the hype, they lose the game. I love Matt. Me, too. Okay, good. Scorpion's not leaving. Love you, bro. Penis. Love you, too, man. Glad you're here. AMC's not diarrhea. What are you talking about? AMC's doing good. Bought 150 shares today. Very nice. Imlo. My stepdaughter told me, you're not my stepdaddy. You're not my stepdaddy. I don't know you. And then I was kicked out of the park without her mom's number. Dang it, man. Happens, though, Brett. Happens more often than you would think, man. Played was cooler. Scorpion! Thank you. They can't if they were being sued. Why would they be sued? Why would they be sued? And no, they can't. They can't do it, man. They can't do it. Nobody can sue. Listen, nobody can sue you for talking about something. All right? They cannot sue you for talking about something. They can't do that. I mean, they could try, but that's not going to do anything. Still no website discounts on Clay merch. Divvy Dog. What merch do you want, man? I'll give you a discount on it. Hit me up on Twitter. I'll give you a custom shirt. It's Sal's static called the Presumptive Close. It's a sales tactic. Oh my gosh, man. I was like, what are we talking about here? Sales tactic. Gotcha. AMC's so strong, we'll never go below 30. Luca, that's what I'm talking about, man. We should put a $30 support on the chart right now so we never go down through it. And we have lawyers that will keep you in litigation for years. Well, yeah, dude, exactly. But what are you going to do, man? You can still talk about it for those years. Not a problem at all. Check DM. Rocket! Everybody always wants me to check my DMs. Clay, bro, tell your subscriber to remember to buy fractional shares. Ape Father, if that's you. Yeah, guys, buy however many shares you want, man. I say go for it. Rocket, how can we get Shayna on board? I need it. I need it. Shayna, are you here? Let me know. But 11 more on the dip. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Square's on fire. Is it on fire right now? Is it up right now? Let me know. I don't see Square. Disney is being sued by AMC. Scarlett Johansson for Black Widow on The Rock now for the Jungle Cruise. Oh, man. And guess what Disney's going to continue doing? Making and showing movies. Ape Father. It's Denny. Is it really Ape Father? I don't know. Let me know. Hoodie, bro. The hoodie shirt or like a legit hoodie? Because I don't have any actual zip-up hoodies. But I do have that hoodie shirt. But I don't have any actual zip-up hoodies that I can do this time. Clay, can you check out MGM, please? 12. I can do it later. I'm not going to check it out during the stream. Holy crap, I just connected the dots. Ape Father is your father. Taco Stocks. Taco Socks. No, Ape Father is not my father. I can only buy shares. Dude, wouldn't it be hilarious if Ape Father was my dad? Yo, Ape Father, it's me, Denny. AMZ to Pluto. Wouldn't that be really funny if the Ape Father was my dad? If you guys see any new AMC YouTubers coming out of nowhere, and their name is like the Bro Father, it could be my dad. Dad, if you're listening right now, start a YouTube channel, call it the Bro Father or the Dad Bro. You guys call the name right now. Should it be Dad Bro or Bro Dad? Probably Dad Bro, right? So I'm Clay Bro and then Dad Bro. Yes. I can confirm he's not. Nick F is nowhere in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, but he can come out of nowhere to let you know he can confirm the Ape Father is not my dad. Yes. Dad Bro, start a YouTube channel and talk about AMC. You will have at least 251 followers. Dad Bro, go for it. Dad Bro, on board. What do you think Squeeze is going to... Well, one of you guys in the chat, I don't know. If you're going to start a channel called Dad Bro, at least be old enough to be my dad so that it's believable. The bro father. The bro father in the house, baby! I say do it, man. Dad, here's your chance to shine, man. Daddy bro. Bro daddy. Heck yeah. 500 pounds is more than a woman. It's just like 3. I don't even know what we're talking about. Think it'll be better tomorrow, Clay? AMC, I sure hope so. Tamara, however you pronounce your name. Can I be step bro? Petey Pete, absolutely, man. I wouldn't want anybody else to be my step bro except you. Hey, brother, I think I wasn't clear. Okay, Marcus. I currently hold 21,000 plus shares of AMC and don't day trade with them. I day trade with other money until I have enough to buy 100 shares and then add up my... Marcus, you're clearing that up from a long time ago, dude. Maybe you weren't clear, but thank you very much for clearing that up. I do appreciate that. And I like it, dude. Day trading, I buy up 100 shares and you go snagging those shares of AMC, man. I'm on board with that. Hey, Father, do us all a favor and concentrate on AMC and not loot. You're knowing a lot of people. If that is the AMC, hey, Father, I don't know if it is or not. Today is not over, ladies and gentlemen. It is definitely not over. We still got 2 hours left in the day. Shrudy says, hey, Clay, bro, and everyone. Shrudy's in the house now. Shrudy, how are you? We will go green late afternoon rally. I sure hope we do. Sister. Yes, Irving. Oh, my gosh. You guys are on top of it, man. I'm telling you. You guys are definitely on top of it. Marcus got some shares. Marcus got some shares, ladies and gentlemen. He does, for sure. Look at this channel, though. What are you going to do when AMC trades in such a tight channel? Like, I know it looks decent on the chart, but it's 36.16 to 85. It's a 30-cent range that we've got going on here. And these are 5-minute candles. This is all day long. 1-minute candles. It's literally all day long in this 30-cent range. My gosh. Come on, AMC. Give us something. Go Denny. Yes. Go Denny. We're going to go green late in the day. I low-key had crushes on them. Irving. Nothing wrong with that, man. But why, though? Why consolidating in that range? Is that what you're talking about, Taco? I don't know. I don't know why we're consolidating in that range, dude. Nobody's willing to pay more than $36.20 per share, and they're not willing to pay, or they're not willing to sell for less than $35.85 right now. It's just a tight range we're trading in. It's giving apes a chance to buy more. Definitely ape father hedge. Oh my gosh, so tight. It is so tight, dude. It's just what people are willing to pay and trade for the stock right now. And it might be the fact that a lot of the trades are being done by high frequency trading, and they're just trying to scalp a few pennies off each trade. The rest of us could just be holding. That might be one of the reasons. Nobody knows for sure, but that would make sense. Dude, I only own 3 stocks. If I can hold, anyone can hold. Dude, absolutely. If you hold 3 stocks and you can hold, anybody can hold, for sure. We need to point a day everyone should buy at least 5 or more shares, Clay. Moo too. Yeah, see, the problem with that is that could get a lot of people in trouble for coordinated buying efforts. But yes, if we do buy and continue to add that upward demand, then we're going to be doing good. Just able to moolah until 3rd week of the month. That's all I got. To the moon, Clay, bro. E-Turbo. To the moon. Thank you for not getting sidetracked with other stocks are starting to push past 36. So refreshing. Thank you. Miss Leslie, thank you. I will not... Listen, you guys know AMC is not the only stock in my portfolio. But you also know that... I mean, it's the main focus right now. So we're going to continue to focus on AMC. I bought 13, bro. Tsunami Dave. Very nice, man. Buying 13 shares today. Is that when you got 13? Bought 2 Tesla stocks at $6.50. Nice, Carlos. Adding to his portfolio with Tesla. Very simple strategy. Buy and hold. That is it. And hold for the squeeze. Don't just hold until next week when AMC is trading at $45 per share and then you take your profit. Hold for the squeeze. Packing my spacesuit. Good deal, Tom. You're ready to go. But sold it at $6.75. Dude, don't do that with AMC when you're up, what, a percent? You go sell. Come on now. It's a movement I believe in. I'm holding. Very good. Me too. Scarlett Johansson is suing Disney. Actually, it's not AMC. Yes. Scarlett Johansson is suing AMC, or is suing Disney. because they streamed it instead of going strictly theatrical release. So theoretically, every shareholder bought one share at the same time, couldn't approve or disprove shenanigans on the back end market plumbing. Taco, I don't know if that would do too much, honestly. Think about it. 4 million shareholders, all that would do is create 4 million share volume. I mean, you actually see that some days in the very first minute of the trading day. You see 4 million shares been traded. So I honestly don't know if 4 million shares would do a whole lot. I would do a lot, Clay. Justin. What was your idea all last week? I don't even know. Finally have 110 shares. AMC Baby Ape with baby diamond hands. Supreme Scientist. Very nice. We got a baby ape with baby diamond hands. Good deal. Not a baby ape, dude. You're doing good. Good to see you again, Clay. Gonna go relax. Lots of love from Oklahoma. I think it's Tamara. Maybe it's Tamara. Is it Tamara? I want to get it right. I don't want to say it wrong. Go enjoy the rest of your day. Good. Thank you for being in here. Enjoy it. Hi, on a rocket. Yes, we are all my sister. It happens, Irving. You can make the sisters mad if you're recording over shows. It's not right. Tamara. Is Tamara right? I don't remember. Tamara. Tamara. Is it Tamara? I don't even know. Is Tamara right? The last one is going to be Tamara. Is Tamara right? Tell me. Oh my gosh. There's like a 20-second delay in this chat. Dinner tonight? Denny. Okay. Now I have no idea. Tamara. Is Tamara correct? Tamara must be correct. I'm going to forget that, so make sure to come back. Shrudy, what's going on? Shrudy's got her eyes on me, about 15 more. I'm holding. No more buying. Good deal, Chris. Tamara's correct. Very nice. I got it right. Which part of Oklahoma? Boom, boom, boom. Rocket wants to know. 925 reviews. It's crazy, man. You never know what's going on in these days, do you? You just got to try your best, and hopefully you get it right. It's not tomorrow. It's still today. Crypto Rocketeer. Got him. Nice. I like it, Crypto. Oh my gosh. Tamara. Tamara. Tomorrow does sound like tomorrow, doesn't it? Oh my god. It's not tomorrow. It's still today. Boom, boom, boom. How can I talk to Taco? Great minds think alike. Justin, talk to Taco either in here in the chat, or you can also probably hit up Taco on Twitter. Look, guys, I really don't care. I mean, some people might not like it if you throw your Twitter handles out there or promote your own social media or whatever. I don't care. Like, if you want to talk to somebody on Twitter, do it. I mean, we're all friends, aren't we? Like, Justin and Taco can talk to each other on Twitter if they want to hang out and be Twitter friends. I hope Clay Sis isn't here. Me too. I hope Sis isn't here. I've not seen her though, so I don't know. I haven't seen anybody today. My family must hate me. I'm on Twitter. Taco's on Twitter. Follow Taco on Twitter. Why are there 8 billion difference in the market? I have no idea, Daily Donkey Salty Dabs. I have no idea what's going on with Robinhood's market cap. Does anyone else laugh when Clay laughs at your message, or am I just really sad? Crypto Rocketeer! You are not sad, man, but I have no idea if anybody else laughs at anything that I do or say, so I'm not exactly sure. Nick F, you're the only one, man. You're the only one. Nick F, that was a friendly question. Promise, I'm going to try and get out of the doghouse. Good! Nick F's got him on lock, yes. I don't use Twitter, but I'll go there now and search for tacos. Do it, Justin. Go there and search for tacos. You're going to find stuff that you like. No one hates Clay. I laugh. Good deal, Chris. People do hate me, though, I'm telling you. Crypto. Not to mention when he whistles and eats banana with the peel. Telling you, dude, if you eat the banana with the peel... Guys, you guys don't realize it's harder to eat a banana when you're peeling it without looking and just strictly not looking at the banana when you're just staring directly into the camera. And I didn't know what I was eating. It was a mistake. All right. You try it. It's hard. It's a hard banana. Whoa. I don't even know what that was. Chipmunk cam. Going crazy. Sometimes I laugh. Good, Tom. Sometimes you laugh, sometimes you don't. Is Natalie leaving? Gotta go, guys. Have a good one. Bye, Clay. Natalie, I'll see you later. Have a good day, Natalie. Please have a good day. What I hear about apes donating testicles for AMC cash, I don't know about that one. Oh, will Tuesday be known as Testicle Tuesday? Mr. Enormous, it could be, but I've never heard about these shenanigans where people are donating such things to buy AMC. I don't know. Look at this. Everybody's saying goodbye to Natalie. I love it, guys. Everybody wants Natalie to have a good day. No, I'll see her later. No, looks like we'll be seeing each other later. Oil tipped, won't we? Oh man, I'm out of coffee and I need more water or something to drink now. Come on. Where's it at? My water's all the way over there. I should have ran and got it, but I didn't. Mr. Enormous, I have no idea what you heard about that. Let us know. Natalie, say bye. Hey, Mr. Enormous, we need to know. Does Natalie follow you on Twitter now? It's in 2 weeks. Ow, ow, ow. Well, hopefully that's here today. I gotta eat more bacon so I can finally meet Natalie. It's gonna be on bad terms, but it's gonna be on my terms. Hi, Claybro, what's up? IA. What's up, Arya? How are you? Shruti, I was wondering what the heck he was doing when he bit into that banana skin. Gosh, guys, it was an accident. I'm telling you, man. It was an accident. Been holding for 3.5 months, making money. Got to live it. Thanks for your DVD and videos. Gotta love it. John, you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. We are making a lot of money on AMC right now. We are doing very well. And yes, thank you for watching, for being here, for holding AMC, and hanging out with us. I have Robinhood video, $57 price, 37 billion. You have Robinhood video? What does that mean? You have Robinhood video. Tom, what do you mean Robinhood video? I still hear I'm not going anywhere. Aria, good deal. I am also not going anywhere. I'm glad you're here. Tom retracted. It's okay. Tom, rewrite, repost. We will see it again in a second. I didn't know exactly what that meant. Plantains are better than bananas. Come on, 12. Are they really? Do you really think they are? I don't know. Yes, she is following me. Game on, ladies and gentlemen. Game on. Mr. Enormous. Nice. Boom Boom Candles. Come on. Thanks for the shout out. Absolutely, John. I'm not leaving. Been holding since January. Good deal, Aria. Nobody here is leaving. I like it. I want a Robinhood video. Me too, Tom. Switch from volume to RSI. You like RSI? Chris, I'll put the RSI on there for a minute, man. If you like RSI. We can get the RSI on there for you. If you like it, you can have it. You can look at the RSI. Let's take off. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go back into the green. Crypto, I had to skip. What? Shruti, you skipped the minute of me eating the banana? Come on. I went on vacation last week. Aria, I went on vacation like 2 weeks ago. We are now rocketing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for liftoff. We are going back into the green. Let's do it. Finally. 3702. We got to get here if we want to be in the green. We got to get there. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. Things are looking good. Please smash that. How many likes do we have, guys? I don't even know. Shruti. I can't believe you didn't watch me eat that banana like 6 times. Come on now. Call 911, asked if Natalie is home. Her mom was so mad. Oh my gosh. I love it, Brett. I love it. Insane Clown Posse. If the world, you know you like it. Do I? Oh my goodness, Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much. Grandpa Barney is burned out. Not to burn, to buy another 50 shares, my little bro, my lineman family buying more. I like it. Guys, Grandpa Barney in the house. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for buying another 50 shares of AMC. And thank you for the pictures on Twitter, man. I can't say that I liked them because I never like to see a car crash, but it's always interesting to see what other people have going on. And, dude, you get an intense line of work, man. You really do. You got to deal with a lot of stuff. Oil tipped. You didn't watch my video on Friday? Oil tipped, dude. Go watch the video on Friday, dude. I cannot believe you did not watch it. And watch the whole thing. You got to watch to the very end. You got to watch to the very end, dude. I can't believe you didn't watch that video. Oh, man. Clay, I am just so used to the downs and ups. When it goes down, I laugh. Mutu, very nice. Doesn't worry me at all. Hey, loves. Ebony, what's going on? Oil tipped, yes. Where were you? I don't know. Where were you, Oil tipped? Come on, man. Hope the Ape Father stays safe. Me too. Yo, Ape Father and Teddy Zane are battling. It's so dumb. Ape Father likes to battle everybody, doesn't he? Just R. When Lyman buy, stocks will fly. Grinning, yes. Are you streaming every day now? Taco. Yeah, man. Typically, I do stream every day during the week, and then I had some fun on the weekend. We did a couple giveaways over the weekend, so I was having some fun with that. In the past, I've been doing. It just depends. I've either streamed a little bit on the weekends and done a little video, or just done a little video. But this weekend, I streamed. I thought you took a bite of the banana peel, Mr. Enormous. The banana peel did enter my mouth. Okay. A father making enemies. I hope nothing happens. I hope nothing happens as well. My Robinhood app, I screen recorded 57 price, 37 billion market cap back when the price was 57. Good deal, Tom. Now I know what you're trying to say there. Why didn't you eat the whole banana? Crypto Rocketeer, man. You're not supposed to eat the peel, dude. It was an accident. I don't watch your videos anymore. Come on! I come to the live streams. I don't like being happy. I don't like being happy in the beginning, feeling uneasy in the middle, and confused at the end. And your videos do that to me. Dude, this one should make you feel happy in the beginning, confused in the middle, and happy at the end. So, you should feel relatively good and good in this video. Just go watch the one from Friday, man, about the AMC YouTubers. Just go watch that one. I'm telling you, just go watch that one. Even if you have to go watch it right now, just go pull that. And if you have anybody in the shop right now, make sure to pull that one up on the big screen so everybody can watch that. No. Be very optimistic about the eating the banana. You have to watch it because people really thought that people had a lot of funny comments on that one. So just go watch it, man. I think it's 10 minutes and 16 seconds or something. Just go watch that one. You're probably gonna laugh. People did enjoy that one. I'll pull us out another 1,000. Let's do it, Paul. Do not get any giveaway. Mutu, you didn't win a giveaway, man? Come on, you got to stick around and win a giveaway. You won't need a sticker pack. Hey, Clay, do you eat the black part of the banana? What are you talking about, dude? Are you talking about like the very top of the banana that you peel? No, I don't eat that part. Oh, my gosh. There's about 3 women in the... Okay, you asked. Yes. All right, oil tips. If 3 women in the lobby right now, make sure that you pull that banana video up. They will be repeat customers. No joke. It will always come... Like, pull that banana video up right now. Are you staying till close today? Crypto Rocketeer. I don't know. Let me check the battery. Let's see how much battery I got on this phone. No, I cannot stay till close. I should actually probably leave pretty soon. I have 26% battery, so I should probably leave pretty soon. What up, bro? SD, what up, bro? How you doing? If everybody buys at least 10 shares, all shares will be gone. Leo, everybody buys 10 shares, 4 million holders, that's 40 million shares. I don't know if all shares would be gone. Technically, all shares are already accounted for, but if everybody should buy 100 more shares, that would give you 400 million. That would pretty much sum it up. Going to the next most likely. Interesting rocket. I have no idea who that fella is. DeMar DeRozan. No idea. Hi, Clay. Your thoughts on holding AMC? I hold AMC. I've been in AMC, and I'm still up on the stock, but down for the options. The apes are holding, and it's still not able to get the price squeeze. Terry, yes, we need more apes. We need more people to actually hold this stock instead of day trade it and take their profits. Later, bros. Irving! Have a good one, man. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be on here. My phone's at 26% battery, so I'm definitely not going to be able to stay till the close. But yeah. Irving, have a good one. Check the video out tonight. And we get to see Oil Tip's reaction. Oil Tip, if you're actually watching that right now, I hope you are. I got to see your reaction when you come back. If you haven't already, could you explain the reverse repo and how much it affects the market in general? Could it take the opposite effect on heavily stocks heavily shorted? Yeah, Mondo, I don't think it's going to affect the stock market that much in general. So the reverse repo is basically like, it's just like a contract. They guarantee, depending on the amount of capital, amount of cash in the market at that time, the government can say, all right, we'll infuse X amount of dollars and then we'll buy it back later. Or they can sell X amount of dollars and the banks and the institutions will buy it back later. It's just a way of keeping things liquid and keeping enough cash available on the market. It's the same thing with when they do bond repurchases and bond buybacks in order to keep the amount of money they want in the economy in the economy. There's another candle. We got another candle on the chart right now. Let's get it going, guys. I want to see a break above that 3702 line, so we close in the green today. We should all buy shares hanging out there, and I want to see these effery hedgies do the same. I want to see what these hedgies will do. Yes, me too. Mutu. I want to see them squirm. Me, Taco, and Leo. Let's make a plan. Let's do it. JIT NYC. Hang out with Taco and Leo. Why is AMC down today? What happened? Ivana. Some people are selling AMC. That's what's happening. Thank you. Yomanda. Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you for a good question. Everybody needs to go buy through Fidelity. Otherwise, I would just get phantom shares routed through dark pools. Oh, JIT. I don't know if you're going to get phantom shares routed through dark pools. If you use Webull, I use Webull and have no problem with Webull. Emotions aside, do you see AMC going to 40 or 30? Terry. If we stay above 30, what's the line I got there? 30. If we stay above 35, I'm on board for 40 first. If we break down below 35, we got support in the $30 to $32 range. So if we continue to the downside, I'm thinking we might test the $30 to $32 range before we break back out to the upside. I listened to the whole live chat. Thanks for the hard work, Clay. Mina, thank you very much for listening to the whole live chat, hanging out and having fun with us, for real. Father's Claybo's future self. It's like a Back to the Future 2 on YouTube. Antics. You're the man, dude. You're the man. I will shave AMC into my back. AMC on the chest hair. Boom. A little action on that. And then to Pluto on my back hair. I'll make it happen. But they call me Lorenzo. Lawrence, a.k.a. Lorenzo. I like it, man. Do you think this will be the mother of all short squeezes? Hey, if we stay true to the movement, then yes, I do think that this is going to be the mother of all short squeezes. If we give up, clearly no. But I don't think that we're going to give up. So I do think that this could be the mother of all short squeezes. If everybody says they're going to, or if everybody does what they say they're going to do, then absolutely. If people give up, then no. This mother of all short squeezes is taking forever. Corey! It's taking a lot longer than people anticipated, but I don't think it's taking forever. Citadel controls the price. The price of AMC right now, it means nothing, and it does not have anything to do with its current prices. I can explain it all. JIT will explain it all. Explain it to us, JIT. LFG AMC. We should look to hold above 36.50. I don't see it reaching 33 if we hold. Yeah. Same deal. Like, I got that level at 35, man. If we don't go below 35, I'm on board for staying up. You won't be saying that after you cash out, Corey. Yeah, definitely. You're not going to be saying that after you cash out. Oil tip. Did you watch the beginning of that video? Watch it on your phone. Don't watch it on the TV. If you get people in the lobby, I don't know if you should watch it on TV. But you definitely need to check out the beginning of that video, man. If you want to see me eating a banana. It was an interesting banana. Like, everything that could go wrong eating a banana went wrong eating that banana. There's nothing more that it could have gone wrong eating that banana. It was by far the worst banana eating experience. Oil tipped, watch it, man. Watch it on mute. I don't care if you watch it on mute. Just watch it on mute and then watch the end too. But everything that could have gone wrong eating a banana happened. And I wasn't going to do a double take. Like that, everything is all one take, and I wasn't about to do a double take. So, yeah, dude. Anything that could go wrong eating banana definitely happened. Did you have a banana spider come out? No. But a banana spider, this would have been, a banana spider just comes out of the pack of bananas, like out of the hand of bananas, right? It doesn't come out of the actual banana. If that is true, I'm never eating banana again. Slipped fall the other day, had me dead. Mina, yes, but Oil Tip needs to watch it. Come on now. Just don't make eye contact with the guy while eating banana. Yomanda, did you not watch the video of me eating the banana? I made eye contact. Well, if you're watching it, you're going to think it's you. I was making eye contact with Natalie and Natalie only eating that banana. But it was a dead on, just like this, me eating the banana, and everything that could go wrong eating a banana went wrong eating that one. So, yes, if you don't like a man staring into your eyes while he's eating a banana, don't watch it. But if you do, watch it. I've seen him say, oh, dude, I can never eat a banana again. Dude, if a spider popped out of a banana, I would die. Citadel routes all buy orders via PO dark pools via the only process. Sell orders on lit exchanges. The dark pools accounts for 74. Yeah, dude, but here's the deal, man. Even if they route your order, even if they route your buy order through a dark pool, and contrary to popular belief, the order is still reported. It still shows up immediately after taking place. So it's not that big of a deal. Fidelity does not use POF, and buying there will impact the price immediately. Buying on the dark pool impacts the price a minute later, so I'm not in that much of a hurry that I can't wait a minute. What does the mother of all short squeezes mean to you? Some people think it means highly unrealistic price action. Could you please set some proper expectations? Yes. Mother of all short squeezes, dude, it simply means that as long as everybody is willing to hold out, that's the price we see. Very high prices are going to be more difficult because a lot of people are going to have to hold out longer. But as long as we can hold out, there's no limit on how high it can go. Our limit is what we can do. Natalie, only did you get 14 DMs from Cookie after? Listen, I was looking directly at Natalie when I was eating that banana. Now, it might look like I'm looking directly into your eyes and having the time of my life, but you guys know what that was for. So, I will not speak of my DMs. No, it does not. Jit, yes it does, man. Yes it does. Who's correct? Jit or Clay? I don't know. Go look it up. Go look it up. You guys don't have to trust me or Jit. You can go look it up and see that dark pool trades are reported. They reach the ticker tape within a minute after being completed. How the heck did someone eat a banana? Wrong. Did you just shot you? Did you swallow it? Gang? Antics. Go watch, dude. Go watch how you can eat a banana wrong. Everything that happened that could go wrong eating banana went wrong eating that one. I'm telling you, man. Earnings report will prime the FOMO fuel for injectors and igniters will light up 45 hours left off. Yes, no, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Who's great? Okay, saw that one already. Clay, just want to say thank you for supporting the AMC community. Enjoy your knowledge and entertainment and your channel provides. Thank you very much, Johnsontown. I appreciate that. We do have a lot of fun here, don't we? Clay, bro, watched banana, just laughed my off, then threw up in my mouth. Eat turbo. Nice. That's pretty much the reaction that I expected. Did you watch till the end, though? Like, did you watch till the end of the video, or you just watched the minute of me eating the banana? One of those. Let me know. Did you watch till the end? Did you see the end? If not, go watch the end of it, too. Play real talk. Hedge funds have a time travel machine. They have so much money that they were able to create one. They went to the future and saw if they cover U.S. economy will go bankrupt so bad. Love and love, Mr. Simon. Dang it, dude. I knew that the hedge funds had some sort of a time machine. I just hope not. Citadel's dark pool is Citadel Connect. They are not classified as a dark pool and do not report to FINRA. Look it up. Yeah, dude, but here's the thing, man. Trades that take place get reported. You can sit there and think all day that it doesn't get reported, but trades do get reported. I can buy a share of AMC and I can hand that share of AMC. Like if I'm registered and I have an actual paper certificate of AMC, okay? It doesn't get any darker than this. I have an actual share of AMC in my hand, like a paper certificate, and I give that to you, okay? You might think that's like a dark pool exchange. It's private. I hand you that share. but it's not a bearer certificate. So it doesn't mean that you own it because you're holding it. I am still the registered shareholder with AMC. So in order for that transaction to take place, it takes place when you call up and tell AMC that you own the share now, or we get that transferred over to your name. Anytime a share transfers hands, it is reported, man. You mean when you fell down? Yes, E-Turbo, at the end where I fell down. Ortex. What's the Ortex? NT, you got Ortex numbers for us? Reported as one thing. I'm talking about the market impact. Okay, different. Yeah, okay. You would be talking about something different. JIT. In that case, yeah, dude, I still think, though, that the fact that it hits the ticker tape would affect the price later rather than sooner. And that's the part that I would 100% agree with you on dark pools and the fact that I dislike dark pools. I believe that everything should be, like, you and I should have the same knowledge as them. And we shouldn't have delayed knowledge. We shouldn't have outdated knowledge. So I'm not, like, it does seem sometimes like I'm defending dark pools. I'm not defending dark pools, but I don't think that, like, getting rid of dark pools would have a huge effect on anything in general. But I don't like them in the sense that it doesn't level the playing field. I would rather see everybody have the same information. I'll throw you in a dark pool. Oh man, some comebacks I just can't go with. Don't throw me in a dark pool. SEC can ban dark pools, sure, dark pools anytime, but they don't. Yeah, they could. I wouldn't have a problem with them keeping dark pools around or with them banning them. Personally, I don't know. I would be more on the side of banning them just because I don't think that they serve that great of a purpose. And I also don't really care for the purposes that they do serve. I think that if an institutional investor does want to go place a 1 million share trade, that he should place the same 1 million share trade you and I have to place, right? I'm not going to go trade on a dark pool if I have 1 million shares of AMC or any other stock for that matter. So they should have the same impact on price that you and I experience. So that's why I would be cool with it, but at the same time, I don't think it's that huge of an impact that I'm like gung-ho, ban them or die. Dark pool reminds me of Dark Army from Mr. Robot Show. I don't even know about that. Holding their pool for AMC or just one date would change everything. Yeah, that's where I'm probably in disagreement with you on that. If we banned it for a day, that it would change everything. I would be in disagreement on that part. But, dude, I'm still okay with banning AMC. I just don't think that it would make the squeeze happen or anything like that. This is why hedge funds don't cover, and the government is behind all this because they know this. They went to the future already. Dude, I'd be afraid to go to the future or the past. Current short interest, 72.77 million, 5.91 million return, and 278,000.23 borrowed. NT is on it. NT is our Ortex man. I love it. I think we get wilder swings without him. Probably. Grinning. I would say probably. I mean, I could see it. Again, the hedge funds basically default if the price gets too high for them, and they would need to do is pay the fines and fees with the FTDs. No, John. If the hedge funds default, it's a good question. If the hedge funds default, which they could do, right? They could go bankrupt and just default on their transactions, but the shares are not, like the short shares, okay? Those are not the hedge fund's shares. Those were loaned to them. So if they default, the lender is on the hook. And the lender can be a variety of different institutions. It can be, clearinghouses. It can be the brokers. It can be banks that lent them money. Whoever that is on the hook. So, no, they can't default and screw us. But they can default and declare bankruptcy. Where's the homie Jamal? Haven't heard from him in a while. Dude, the last I heard from Jamal is that he was sick after going to Indonesia. So I have no idea if that dude's okay or not. Clay, do you think the dark pools are heated? I hope so, man. There's nothing worse than a cold, dark pool. So what do you think is going to cause the short squeeze? Lowry. I think when people finally stop selling the stock, the short squeeze is going to occur. When there's only buying pressure and no selling pressure is when the short squeeze is going to happen. You're going to say, well, how can you get no buying pressure but no selling pressure but only buying pressure? Well, it's very simple. if actual apes who are unwilling to sell the stock ended up owning them all, whether that's current shareholders who are not in it for the squeeze, decide to be in it for the squeeze, or you and I end up buying all of the shares of AMC, if the volume goes down to zero, that is much higher of a risk for hedge funds than the price going up to $500. It's much higher of a risk. Bank of America. Bank of America. Good one. I don't know. Hopped the fence and snuck multiple girls and skinny dipped in the local dark pool after midnight in my teens. You guys might not know this, but me and Rocket are actually like I'm down here. You guys can't see it, but I'm down here on my other phone typing right now. I am Rocket. You'll know when big green explosion. Yes, you will know. Guys, here's the deal. 2:30, I'm pretty sure my phone's going to die soon. So I'm going to get off. I'm going to charge it. And I highly doubt I stream again today. But I will most likely, I'm going to have a video out a little bit later. So make sure to check that out. Let's see. It is now August, so you have to deposit more than $5 on Webull now. So I can't tell you the discount on Webull, but still use that link in the description below. A lot of other links in the description below, all that good stuff. And get your name out in the chat right now if you want to shout out. Can I get some support? I'm close to 50,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, Don't Free Market. Ant the Barber. Heck yeah, man. I'm a barber. That's my content reflects. It's free to support. Ant the Barber is a barber. Check this out, dude. Yeah, go ahead. Follow Barber. I am also, I cut my own hair. It's been like 3 weeks. What do you think? Ant the Barber. 50,000 subscribers. You obviously know how to cut hair. Let me know. What do you think, dude? Do a good job? Yes? No? Maybe so? And then Ant the Barber. If you come in here and promote, but don't tell me I have a good haircut, I'm going to tell people to I'm not subscribed. So, let me know. Good haircut, bad haircut? We got to know, dude. It's the last thing we need to know before we go. Please don't go. Denny, I don't want to go, but my phone's got like probably 15% now. Come on, Ant. Let's go. I honestly think that if they truly believe that the Mother of Short Squeeze is inevitable, paying $40 now will be much cheaper than waiting for to pay more. They need to buy today. Yes, John. I'm on board with that, dude. If you know it, say it with me. Yes, Your cut is usually on point. Nice. Ant the Barber. 50,000 subs. I like it, dude. And he says, your cut's on point. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I cut on point and do it myself. Easier than you think, guys. Just go cut your hair today. I want everybody in the chat right now to go cut their hair today. That's all I want. That's all I want. Neck beard. What about the neck beard, man? You like the neck beard? You on point? You on game with that? That one's for you. Where's Darling? I did not see Darling today. I'm scared. Clay Bros wet Samsung. See you later, man. All right, my wife is in tears because you are leaving. Denny, I am also in tears, but my phone is literally going to die, so at least I'm able to say goodbye to you. When Kia Stinger? Soon, Kia Stinger. Oh, yes. All right, guys, let's see. Webull, good stuff. Clearbro.com, good stuff. Check all the links in the description below. Good stuff. Yes. Also want to say I appreciate the vibe and the content. Ant the Barber. Appreciate that. Guys, if you want to see some... I have watched several haircutting videos. I don't know if I've ever watched one of yours or not, but I've watched several haircutting videos. So, yeah, guys, go check out that channel. Put peroxide in your phone and dry it with a hair dryer. Trust me, it'll work. Billy, that sounds dangerous, dude. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Peroxide, stay for a minute. I don't know, Billy. You got me worried, dude. Take care, Clay. Stay safe. I still not know what your favorite Pokemon is. I don't even know what my favorite Pokemon is either, man. Mew was a lot of fun, but that came way towards the end. If I had to pick one of the OGs, I'm picking Pikachu over Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur. Out of the legendary birds, I gotta pick Articuno, but possibly, yeah, Articuno on those. I don't know, dude. There's so many routes you can go with that. Donkey Kong. Yes, Donkey Kong. What's up, bro? What's up, SD? I'm leaving now. I like Gohan. I like Gohan too. Give the chipmunk a kiss. Denny Oliver. I don't. It sounds dangerous. I might try to give the chipmunk a kiss Butterfree. No, dude, nobody wants a Butterfree. Come on now. Oh man. All right, guys, 300 plus likes. Very good, guys. Very good. Please do not forget to click the like button as I sign off right now because it does let YouTube know that we have fun here and we have fun. Answer to Darling is in DM. I'm gonna check the DM. Good. And all right, guys. So yes. Now, if you want to say it, it worked for me, bro. Well, then maybe I'll try it, Billy. I don't know. It sounds dangerous, though. It does sound dangerous. Read it later. I will. Go to the Billy, bro. But how will we know when the AMC squeezes upon us? E-Turbo. I don't know. But we are leaving now before the phone dies. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.